acting like you run the whole thing. Ain't nobody buying it. Yeah. Valentino. Yeah. Yeah. Valentino talk big, but the numbers don't match. Always got a story, never got the facts. Walk in the room like he own the whole place. 5 minutes later, got everybody laughing in his face. Claim he got connections, claim he got clout. Every time we check it, all the truth comes out. Got a million excuses when it's time to compete. Funny how the loudest one be taking a seat. Valentino, why you always frontin'? Talking like a boss, but you ain't really done nothing. Flexing for the spotlight, chasing all the fame. Everybody knows you're just talking for the name. Valentino, hear the crowd groan. Acting like a king, but you're sitting on the throne. Made out of cardboard, held together with tape. One little challenge and the whole thing break. Always got advice, but can't follow his own. Throwing rocks all day from a glass made home. Trying to throw shade while I'm stacking up wins. You busy counting losses, trying to call them dividends. Every conversation turned into a show. Need attention so bad that it's starting to show. Got the confidence high, but the skill set low. Like a truck with no motor, ain't nowhere to go. I ain't gotta lie, I ain't gotta pretend. Your biggest competition is the mess you're in. Keep my name out your mouth, focus on your lane. Maybe then you finally have something to gain. Valentino, why you always frontin'? Talking like a boss, but you ain't really done nothing. Flexing for the spotlight, chasing all the fame. Everybody knows you're just talking for the name. Yeah. Valentino. Valentino. Yeah. Valentino still talking. Everybody else still working. That's the difference. Yeah. Valentino in the chat again, acting like you run the whole thing. Ain't nobody buying it. Yeah. Valentino. Yeah. Valentino talk big, but the numbers don't match. Always got a story, never got the facts. Walk in the room like he own the whole place. 5 minutes later, got everybody laughing in his face. Claim he got connections, claim he got clout. Every time we check it, all the truth comes out. Got a million excuses when it's time to compete. Funny how the loudest one be taking a seat. Valentino, why you always frontin'? Talking like a boss, but you ain't really done nothing. Flexing for the spotlight, chasing all the fame. Everybody knows you're just talking for the name. Valentino, hear the crowd groan. Acting like a king, but you're sitting on the throne. Made out of cardboard, held together with tape. One little challenge and the whole thing break. Always got advice, but can't follow his own. Throwing rocks all day from a glass made home. Trying to throw shade while I'm stacking up wins. You busy counting losses, trying to call them dividends. Every conversation turned into a show. Need attention so bad that it's starting to show. Got the confidence high, but the skill set low. Like a truck with no motor, ain't nowhere to go. I ain't gotta lie, I ain't gotta pretend. Your biggest competition is the mess you're in. Keep my name out your mouth, focus on your lane. Maybe then you finally have something to gain. Valentino, why you always frontin'? Talking like a boss, but you ain't really done nothing. Flexing for the spotlight, chasing all the fame. Everybody knows you're just talking for the name. Yeah. Valentino. Yeah. Valentino. Yeah. Valentino still talking.
On everybody, what's going on? Welcome to today's stream. We have a entire court case that we are the assistant district attorney for. We are Assistant District Attorney Adam Marshall, and we are going to be prosecuting an individual who I believe is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And the evidence shows it, everything shows it. And yet he still wants to contest his charges. He has, in fact, 6 charges in which he is contesting. Now, we've already done the pretrial motions, or not, we haven't done pretrial motions. we've already done like the preliminary stuff and all the court proceedings and the discordia and all that good stuff, and now it's time for court. So let's get out here. We got a jam-packed day in front of us. I hope you guys are having a great day thus far. I know I am. Good little Sunday night stream, and we'll be back tomorrow as well, probably with some LEO. Oh God, Adam Marsh has a British accent, just so everybody knows. Before I get ranted on and yelled at and all this other stuff. So, let me leave the radio before we crash. Yeah, I'm not really sure what this guy is contesting, other than the sheer fact of him just busting our balls. But we'll see. I see Fisher's in here. What's going on, girly? How you doing today?
Okay in here?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Emotionally, physically, mentally, what are we talking?
Okay.
I believe she meant physically.
What the hell?
Oh God. And of course we crashed. That's very good. Okay. Well, as you can see, I'm obviously doing well now. Okay, of course we crashed. I mean, I think it's because of the radio, but I mean, as you saw, I definitely cut it off. I didn't plan on doing a face cam stream today, but I guess I can, so you guys can see my reactions. Yeah, starting off amazing, actually. we're doing great out here. Let me see. I don't actually have the face cam for this screen. Let me switch over. Oh. Uh-oh. And as you can tell, our face cam is also doing great. This is amazing. This is amazing, y'all. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can fix this thing. Let's see. Let's do this. And let's do this. Okay, we're back. Perfect. All right, we got 24 in game. Obviously, let me message them and tell them I crashed. That's awesome. Everyone who crashed, we do apologize. You may blame the judge. Hashtag blame Omar. That's a nice mustache. I appreciate you. Sorry, we restarted the script and it only kicked some people. I mean, yeah, I mean, I left the radio, or I powered it off. I'm not sure if I was actually supposed to like leave anything. I don't know how that works. I'm not a dev. So it's okay. We're gonna get back in city here soon, and we're gonna fight this case. We're gonna win too. So Omar came up to me right before I started my stream, and he was just like, "Hey, the last time we did a court case like this, it cost the LSPD $1 million." I was like, "I can assure you that that's not what's gonna happen on this court case." I really don't think that this guy's gonna win unless the judge just like is like, "Oh yeah, I want this guy to win." I don't like. There's an abundance of evidence against him, and so, which reminds me, actually, hold on one second. Let's see if he joins. Let's see. Can someone like spam Omar and tell him to check his DMs? Okay, well, how are you guys' day going so far? So far, so good? We're doing great? What's been going on in everybody's lives? Had a good Sunday? World Cup is coming. I'm excited for that. Who? What do you mean, who? Can you, somebody spam Omar and tell him to check his DMs? He doing like 100 things right now. Okay, that's fine. You check your DMs. Okay, hold on. Can you see? I think you can. Pretty sure you can. I think you can see. I think you're an admin, so you can see this chat. Yeah. You can see it. Just read from like where I sent it to you and down. Okay, perfect.
Whole city breathing on my screen, clock in as a clerk, then I'm cruising in the vet, same block, 2 lives, what you see is what you get, Civ lane, chill, flip a burger, run a store, but the radio, crackle say they need me on a call for more, lights flash blue, when I swap that fit, badge on chest, now the sirens hit, next job days, then it's chases at night, same service, same streets, whole different life.
I think this court case is gonna be awesome, not gonna lie. Actually, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I did. Actually, no, it was on stream. You guys saw it. Freaking taking out all those cops that day in the cell was absolutely bonkers. Oh, hold on. Omar.
Yeah.
Can you upload that body cam to YouTube so we can play it in court? Do we have a TV in the courtroom?
No, we don't. I
Do
can
we
see I
have
can add it.
do we have a court like a court VC that everybody can join?
Yeah, we do. I can see if I can get a prop added real quick. Here, watch out real quick. 102-200. Are you still in the back? Here, let me in real quick. I need to talk to you too.
Is the judge's chamber only allow listed to like the judge role?
Yeah, 1 second.
Getting all this court stuff figured out. This is our first court case ever, guys. So there's a couple kinks. Obviously, us crashing was one of the kinks. It's okay though. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, guys. Donnie, I think Donnie's streaming too. Here, let's pull up his stream. Oh, KT's also live. That's dope. Lieutenant Denozo.
Yeah,
Hey,
I got
watch out.
strawberry. Strawberry cotton candy.
Said I got strawberry.
Did you put that on me?
Strawberry cotton candy I have.
No, can you? No, I'm talking about the door.
I got a
Oh, yeah.
stogie.
Yeah.
What do you mean you can't?
It's like an issue, not an issue me.
There, take that on the ground.
Jay.
What are you gonna hold your breath in and like blow it out in the corner or something?
Anytime, man. Anytime.
Hello?
Yep.
I don't know how long it's
Say
gonna
whatever you want,
take.
but you're wearing suit pants with
Also,
with
when was
dress-
this? May
dress shoes and a
30th?
cowboy hat. This is the one that looks out of place near you.
Let's see.
You're mixing and matching, buddy. I stay true to who I am.
Where was it? May 30th. May 30th.
Just go to your thing.
What?
Your drive that you sent in the court ticket.
Never mind, I found it.
Range down to 200.
Anyway.
Who's giving me whiskey?
Plead the fifth.
Yeah, don't drink that in fucking courtroom. Sorry.
It's apple juice.
I guess they're afraid that we can actually
There's
see what's
fucking
going on.
Appley
Let me move
Baptist
down here real
whiskey.
quick.
Listen, it's apple juice.
Is that your way of excusing being an alcoholic?
It's just apple juice. Did you get the TV?
Why do you have scuba gear?
I've never seen
That's
someone
alright,
hit a
then.
bong
Towards
like
me. I
that.
can't breathe.
If anything,
We can-
we'll just have them join the court lobby.
Yeah.
I've heard
VC.
We can
about
just
you
do
all.
like a VC
And
for
then I'll
the
just have you
evidence
screen
again.
share it.
Yeah, that works. Alright, bye.
All right, bye.
Omar, is this thing starting?
What?
Is this thing starting?
Hopefully. Our judicial system's so whack.
I thought if anyone was supposed to be on time, it'd be, the
Guys,
people running this show.
Omar, why are we even here? What do you mean, why are we here? I don't know nothing about this case. You don't need to. Protect I might have to test. I might have
Someone's
to testify
giving me
in this or
food and
something.
water.
God, it takes so long to get back in city. I don't know if this happens for anybody else, but it definitely happens for me. We have to wait like 10 minutes. Oh, there it is. You see, I don't know if anybody else has this issue, but it happens to me so many times to where I just get stuck on the loading screen here. Oh, God. This is great. Donnie, this has happened to you, bro? Oh, what's up, Shaggy? We're having some technical difficulties trying to get back in city. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some technical difficulties. Yeah, me too. I can't even get in. It's not even that I can't get in. Like, I can get in, but like the first time we just tried, like it just went directly to like the character selection loading screen, and it got stuck there. It happens to me a lot, actually. more often than not. Just had to restart the radio. Hashtag blame Omar, honestly.
Stop.
Talk while we
I saved this and Jesus told me to go on time. I saved this shit for the last round. Cause I know how to end it and kill him. Nigga, it's Johnny Cox. I invented drug dealing. Bitch ass nigga, my money's so motherfucking high. My mother.
But my your breath smell like Dickie. And
You
shit.
didn't pay the fucking house bill.
You drinking so quick. Cause she fucking can. She's thirsty, bitch.
Did you just curse? Did you just curse? It sure sound like you said shit.
I said sheesh.
Oh.
It's my baby's motherfucker. No! Do it, get me fucked up.
They get you what?
Fucked up.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, fuck it for 19.
Look at mom. See chocolate milk?
Chocolate dick. Mommy!
Yeah.
Fuck. Fuck.
What?
Fuck.
Well, what?
And fuck.
You want the fork?
I got the window to the wall until the sweat's dripping down my balls.
Do you see a monster truck anywhere around here?
It's right behind me, you fucking ding dong. That's not a bad word, Mommy.
Yes, it is.
No, it's a take a fucking nap. I don't like this family. It's so fucking stupid.
Can you say mommy?
Nah, bitch.
Mommy.
Bitch.
I'm your mother, not
A bitch?
With it, hit, fit, and Lauren. Shit. Yeah.
Motherfucker. No.
Oh my god.
We're fishing out here today. What are we gonna catch, Barrett?
A big motherfucking fish.
Dude, I get in the first time, but it got stuck on the little the character selection
I'm
loading
so
screen.
sick of snow on this fucking string.
And so we're trying for the second time. So we'll see where we go from
But
here.
my
Your breath smell like Dickie. And
You
shit.
didn't pay the fucking house
We're just watching TikTok till we get in.
I'm at yoga class and I farted during downward dog. During yoga? Yes, my body said namaste and release trauma. No! The instructor said let it go. She said that after? Yes! Now everybody thinks it was spiritual. Honestly, smart cover. No, because then she said release what no longer serves you. Shut up! Exactly, my fart got a life lesson. What did you do? Held the pose like nothing happened. Brave. Then the lady behind me coughed from the smell. Mia, please. I'm trying to heal. Girl, you healed the whole room. Can we switch to child's pose? Oh no. My stomach made a second announcement. Again? Yes. Like it wanted closing remarks. I'm crying. Instructor came over and whispered, breathe. Don't breathe. Exactly, breathing was the problem. Are you leaving? I can't, my mat is in the front row. Front row is crazy. I came for peace and left as a warning. Did anyone say anything? The lady behind me said powerful release. I'm at yoga class and
That's terrible.
I don't give money to homeless white people because I'm like, come on, Pops.
All right, ready?
You really fucked that up. That's like being #1 pick in the NBA and you fucked it up.
Okay, ready?
Embarrassing.
Do you, when you think of stuffed food, do you like ever go like,
think first?
Yeah, think first.
No, it's hard. It's hard because I'm always hard. And then whenever I just say it, Pops.
What would you prefer, being gay or black?
Black. Go ahead, go. Ask me these questions. Yes or no, go.
Black or Jewish?
Black.
Black or white?
White. More advantages in life. I don't give money to homeless white people because I'm like, come on, Pops.
All right, ready?
You really fucked that up. That's like being #1 pick in the NBA and you fucked it up.
Okay, ready?
Embarrassing, bitch.
Okay, ready? Black.
You could have been Richie Rich.
Okay, ready? Black or
Right.
Mexican? Really, fool? Really? Really, fool?
Black or Mexican? How old am I?
Nah, no, at birth, homie.
At birth? Where do I live if I'm black?
Crenshaw District.
I'd probably pick black. Nipsey Hussle was there.
What? What? Why is he so mad?
Why are you so mad?
What?
I don't give money to homeless white people because I'm like, come on, Pops.
All right, ready?
We're not gonna have any problems, are we? Oh, okay. This bed isn't meant for 2 people. Like, this isn't meant for 2 people. Why is the bed moving? Bro, why?
My mom goes, listen, here's the fucking new rules at the house. I'm not fucking with you this year. I don't have time in the morning to wake up and make you breakfast. I don't have time to wash your fucking clothes. I'm running a business. I got 2 businesses, so you're on your own. The first time you fuck up, I'm putting you in military school in Miami with your cousins. So the whole 6th grade year, I was by the book. I fucking did my own laundry. But then something fucked up happened in the 7th grade. I fell in love. I fell in love with the skinny chick, flat-chested, the whole fucking thing. But there was no sex involved. We were just dry humping like motherfuckers. We would go home every day and dry hump to death, like 2 album sides. Like, that's the...
Turn me up, yeah, Miami, turn me up. Let's go. I like this.
Oh, this is terrible. Trying to get in for y'all. So sorry. But then again, it's not my fault. I didn't restart the radio.
Your Honorable Judge Frank DiCaprio.
Not to be related to Leonardo.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Attorney General Frank DiCaprio. I'll be presiding over this matter today. You may all be seated.
He's so handsome.
Today, we're hearing the case of the State of San Andreas versus Bartholomew Carnegie regarding the defendant's contest of the charges filed against him. Will the prosecution and defense please identify themselves for the record, beginning with the prosecutor?
Assistant District Attorney Adam Marshall for the state, Your Honor.
Bartholomew Carnegie, representing myself.
Thank you. Let the record reflect that all parties are present. Mr. Carnegie, you have elected to contest the charges issued against you. This hearing is not a trial by jury, but an opportunity for the court to review the facts, evidence, testimony, and applicable laws before determining whether the charges should be upheld or dismissed. All testimonies provided today are subject to penalties for perjury. Do all parties understand?
State understands, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay. I'm wearing them. I'll do it when I get a shower. Yeah.
This is embarrassing.
Oh well. Anyways. So the defendant has been charged with the following offenses: felony fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, felony speeding, failure to maintain lane, failure to obey a traffic control device, and failure to obey a lawful order. Mr. Carney, how do you contest these charges?
As of right now, not guilty.
All right. Court will first hear from the prosecution. You may present your evidence and testimony, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can the ladies and gentlemen of the court hear me?
Order.
Okay, very good. Your Honor, the state intends to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant knowingly fled from law enforcement after being given clear and lawful signals to stop. During that flight, the defendant operated their vehicle in a manner that endangered the public by traveling at excessive speeds, disregarding traffic control devices, failing to maintain their lane, and refusing lawful commands issued by police officers. The evidence, including officer testimony and any available video evidence, will establish each charge individually and collectively demonstrate deliberate disregard for public safety and the authority of law enforcement. Thank you, Your Honor.
I just had a boogie fly out of my nose.
All right. Defense, you may now provide your testimony.
Opening statement, Your Honor.
Opening statements. yes. So thank you all.
Correct me in my courtroom.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen of the audience, for being here, and of course the judge and the current police. I have come here today not just to contest my charges, but to contest the police system of this city. They go around day after day observing these. We observe these very officers break the law right in front of our face, and then they charge us with the very crimes they are guilty of breaking. I stand here today to defend myself from the very behavior of those accusing me. How are we supposed to be following the law when we are getting out of the way of officers going on a tyrannical joyride down the streets? I come before you all to hold this city accountable, that they are not just preaching one verdict and acting out another, that they are not just the pinnacle of tyrannical authority. I'm not just here to prove myself innocent, but force this police department to do their job. When you view this evidence, You'll see unnecessary escalation of force by the police department to a complying and nonviolent individual. You'll see the officers breaking the very laws they accuse me of breaking. And you'll see a failure of communication between them and myself, causing a lethal force to be brought and my life being put in jeopardy.
Your Honor, the state would like to request a motion.
What is your motion?
The state motions to exclude irrelevant testimony from the defense.
All right, we'll take that as it comes.
Very
Does
well.
the prosecution have any witness testimonies?
Yes, sir. The state would like to call its first witness as Commander Omar White.
Deputy Chief.
Commander White.
Apologies, Deputy Chief White.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this matter shall be the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Alright.
What the hell happened to that guy's hair behind me?
Jump it.
Deputy Chief White, would you state your name, rank, and occupation for the courts?
My name is Omar White. I'm a deputy chief with the Los Angeles Police Department.
Very good. And how long have you been employed as a law enforcement officer?
With LSPD about a year now.
Very well. And were you on duty on the day of May 30th, 2026?
Yes, I was.
And did you receive a dispatch call regarding a vehicle traveling at a very high speed?
Yes, I did.
And what information, if any, did dispatch provide to you?
I got a description of the vehicle, where it was heading. I went and responded. I saw the vehicle right at Legion Garage. I was familiar with this vehicle because I had prior interactions with him about 20 minutes ago.
Okay. And were you able to locate said vehicles that was described by dispatch?
Yep.
And what type of vehicle did you locate?
It was that Hyson, the 4-door.
And did you personally observe this vehicle? Did you personally observe the vehicle being operated on the roadway?
Yes, I did.
And did you observe any traffic violations?
Yes, I did.
What were they?
Speed. I followed the vehicle after that dispatch call just to see if he would continue with what the dispatch call was, which was that speed. I followed him up on the bridge on San Andreas, and he did continue to speed.
Okay. And were you able to identify said driver of the vehicle?
Yeah, I got driver's license identification from him.
Is that individual in the court today?
Yep, it's that guy over there.
Okay. And could you describe him for the court, just for record purposes?
He's wearing a black jacket.
Okay.
With like a white collar.
Your Honor, the witness has just described our defendant, Mr. Martalimi Carnegie. I'd like that placed into records, please.
All right, we'll place that on the record.
Very good. And did you request any assistance from any additional law enforcement units?
Yeah, I asked backup. Two BCSO deputies responded. One was Murtaugh and the one was O'Neill.
Okay. Your Honor, the witness is identified Detective Roger Motar from the Blaine County Sheriff's Office, as well as Deputy Dunn O'Neill. If you can place that also into record.
Noted.
Very good. And did you make contact with the defendant on this traffic stop?
Yep, I went up to him. I identified who I was, the reason for the stop.
Okay. And what occurred after your initial contact with the defendant?
Once I got the driver's license, I got back in my vehicle. That's when Murtaugh came on scene. We decided to initiate a Code 5 stop on him. He did have prior felonies and things like that. This was also a felony case, so we gave the suspect some callouts. He started by listening, and then he went ahead and ran back into his vehicle as we were about to place him into cuffs.
And why exactly did you believe that a Code 5 stop was necessary?
He is a violent felon. He's got robberies and things like that on his record.
Okay. And did the defendant initially comply with your commands?
Yep. Up until we were about to put him in cuffs.
What happened as you were trying to place the individual in custody?
He then ran back into his vehicle and fled from us.
Okay. And a vehicle pursuit ensued, I'm assuming.
Yeah, we chased the vehicle. We didn't lose sight of him at all.
Okay. And if you could please describe the pursuit for the court.
Yeah, we started on the where the traffic stop happened. We went northbound, took a right-hand turn. We got onto Popular Street. We continued Popular Street. The suspect started driving in opposite lanes. We passed Hawick Ave, and then right as we were about to pass Hawick and Laguna, the suspect crashed with a red vehicle.
Okay. And during this pursuit, what speeds did you observe during the pursuit?
It was a couple different speeds. The highest was 182, and then the lowest was 136 right before he's hit the vehicle.
And as you said before, the defendant during this pursuit never stayed in his lane. He went, opposite lanes of travel and back to his lane, etc.
Yeah, multiple times.
Very good. And let's see here. Do you believe, in your professional opinion as a law enforcement officer within the state of San Andreas, that the defendant created a danger to the other motorists or to the public?
Yeah, and I believe I could back that by him T-boating a red vehicle that was following the laws. They had the light, but because the defendant was fleeing from us, they caused a crash.
Okay. And did you observe the defendant disregard any traffic control devices at all?
Yep, he ran multiple red lights, multiple stop signs, multiple right of ways.
Okay. And did the pursuit ultimately come to an end?
Yeah, once he crashed out, he stopped, got into my vehicle. I got out of my vehicle and I pointed a taser at him. I gave him commands to step out of my vehicle. He didn't comply. He was tased. He stepped back into my vehicle. I believe it was Murtaugh that gave him commands again. He was tased. Sorry, it was O'Neill that gave him commands. He was tased, and then Murtaugh took him into custody.
Okay. And I do remember. Let's take a step back, right? I do remember you saying that the maximum speed that the defendant traveled at during the pursuit was 182 miles per hour, correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you know approximately how fast the defendant was traveling at the time of the collision?
It was around 140 to 136.
Okay. And you've already explained to me what happened after the collision. You said that the defendant exited his vehicle, was not listening to the law enforcement commands, and he was inevitably tased and taken into custody. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And after he was taken into custody, was he ever read his Miranda rights?
Yeah, he was read his Miranda rights by Detective Martel.
Okay. And let's see here. To your knowledge, did he indicate at all that he understood those Miranda rights? To the best of your knowledge, of course.
I believe so, but I can't say for certain.
And based on your investigation and observations, were criminal charges filed against the defendant?
Yes.
And what charges, if any, were filed?
There was felony speeding, that reckless driving,
If you catch any of them,
felony fleeing and eluding,
we'll go sit
and then he got
cell the
some
court
citation charges: failure to maintain lanes, failure to obey traffic control device, and then failure to obey lawful command.
And
real
sorry,
quick,
go ahead.
that Miranda, yeah, now that I do rethink about it, he did say he understood.
You want to go help them out?
Okay. And do you have any doubt that the individual that you arrested that day, May 30th, 2026, is the defendant seated in the courtroom today?
No doubt at all.
Okay. Your Honor, let the record show that the witness has identified the defendant yet again.
Noted.
No further questions for this witness, Your Honor. Please stay on the stand. He has a cross.
Oh, sorry.
May I approach to cross-examine?
You may. Yes, you may.
Alrighty, Mr. Omar. Let's take this back to the beginning of your interaction. Could you explain to me the location and the behavior of myself or the defendant here as you first initiated contact?
Yeah, so do you want me to like start from the beginning? From
When
I
you first saw
seen
the
you?
vehicle and not when you conducted the stop.
Okay. So I took that left-hand turn onto San Andreas, right next to the Legion Garage to my right. I seen your vehicle parked sideways. I was about to come in, and then I seen that you're about to leave. So I parked on that little sidewalk crosswalk thing. You exited the garage, took a left-hand turn, and then went straight onto San Andreas towards the bridge. You took that red light. You continued speeds about 70 miles an hour, around that rough estimate. You then took a right-hand turn. I pulled you over, and do you want me to keep going, or?
That's good right there. So the first time that you saw me was when I was leaving a garage.
Stand by. Okay, now are we
Stand
talking
by.
about the first time for the night, or
The first time during this interaction?
this interaction? Yeah, that was the first time you getting ready to leave the garage.
So me leaving a garage is the first time you saw me, even though I had just been reported for speeding. All right. And could you describe, you mentioned that you had ran into me several times throughout the night. Could you describe my behavior during those situations?
You were compliant, you were nice, you were cordial.
And when you initiated this stop, was I behaving out of the ordinary, or was I exhibiting anything that would be threatening you?
Not up until you ran. We didn't know what was in the vehicle, and you ran back into the vehicle.
So you decided pulling a gun was a reasonable decision on someone who has been compliant with you all night and has done nothing
Objection, Your Honor.
to be against you?
What's the cause for objection?
The defense is leading.
Could you say that one more time, Your Honor?
Objection withheld.
Could you please, Omar, explain to me why you thought lethal force was required?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection.
Misstates evidence. Or misquotes the witness.
Misquotes witness.
Correct.
Omar, could you explain to me, you stated a Code 5 stop. What happened during that Code 5 stop?
During all Code 5 stops, lethal and non-lethal are pulled on the suspect, and we give verbal commands.
So a gun was being pointed at me.
That's correct, towards you.
And you would consider that lethal?
Yes.
So could you explain to me why you thought, due to my previous interactions with you throughout that night, that lethal force was required during this scenario?
Well, this scenario was kind of different. Like I said, I did have you on felony charges this time. I also did have backup units.
What's up, Terry?
I can't do a Code 5 by myself. If I went ahead and did a Code 5 on you when it was just me, you either would have fled or you would have fired at me.
I would have fired that. Those are some
Those are
very
possibilities.
audacious assumptions.
So we don't do
objection,
Code 5s
Your
when
Honor.
it's just one unit.
Reason for objection.
Argumentative. He's arguing with the witness.
I made no argument. I was simply stating what I was thinking.
Objection, abstained. Mr. White, please keep your testimony. Keep speculation out of your testimony as well, sir.
Getting ready to go to bed? Hell yeah, brother. You have a good night, okay?
You mentioned that sorry. Your previous encounters with me.
You two want to stand up, come outside with me?
Sorry, no. Let me repeat that. You said that you withheld a Code 5 stop. Or let me clarify with you rather. Were you withholding Code 5 stops from the previous interactions that night due to the lack of officers around? Or so okay.
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance.
I'm just trying to clarify whether I was a threat or not.
Your sidebar, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, the record already shows that this individual is a felon. He has an attempted murder charge on his record. I'm not sure why we're arguing
Witness,
this.
you can go ahead and be seated for a sec.
He's not
Mr. Carney,
arguing
you can
his
come up
Code 5 stop as it is. He's arguing the reason that he was charged.
Okay. Explain to me the definition of a Code 5 stop and why the officers would use that.
So Code 5 stop is used for an individual here. I mean, I have the sheriff here. He can explain it to you.
Yes, sir. For individuals who have either previous felony offenses or a current felony offense, we do that to
I lost my accent there.
Litigate safety to the public and ourselves.
The Code 5 stop is standard protocol for prior convicted felons, correct?
As well as felony offenses, yes.
Okay. Mr. Carnegie, you have prior felony convictions on your record, correct?
I do.
Okay.
Though hardly saying that any felony conviction requires lethal force.
Well, Your Honor, in his case, he has an attempted murder charge. He has 11 robbery charges and false imprisonment and carjacking. So, I mean, regarding this case, I think that it was very well probable that Mr. Carnegie may have had a weapon on him.
I feel like that's very presumptuous. If you were to ask any officer that I've ever ran into, that they would say that I'm not violent at all.
Well, your record says otherwise. You have an attempted murder of a police officer charge on your record.
Okay, gentlemen, we can go into that in the when we get to the evidence portion.
Very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
I feel like he was probably scared for his life. Someone pointed a gun at me. Shoot.
When is he going to return?
This is great. I love this.
Trying to think here. So
I rattled him.
While we were on that stop, and you had initiated that code 5, could you explain the from the initiation of the code 5 stop to the beginning of the pursuit?
What do you mean?
Just more specifically, your actions and then my response to those actions from the time of you pulling me over to the time of me entering my vehicle.
Okay. So when I did pull you over on that downwards hill, we made contact. I greeted you. I told you who I was, and I told you what the reason for the stop was. You gave me your driver's license. I went back to my vehicle, searched it while backup arrived. We then conducted the code 5 stop, and then you took off. We conducted the code 5 stop. You stepped out the vehicle. You complied for a few, and then as soon as you were about to put cuffs on you, you went back in your vehicle and you took off.
Sir, were you aware of who I was? You mentioned earlier that you had dealt with me earlier. Were you aware of who you were pulling over at this scene?
I was familiar with who I was pulling over, yes.
If the witness could speak up, please.
I was familiar with who I was pulling over, yes.
And you mentioned that you conducted the stop, and then after you had already made contact with me and gotten my ID, then you initiated the code 5 stop?
Yep.
Can I ask what was the reasoning as to why you initiated that code 5 stop after you had already made contact?
Because I didn't know who was driving the vehicle. I knew the vehicle, but I didn't know who was driving the vehicle. I can't pull a weapon on just a regular civilian.
Was there a tint on the vehicle?
Not
that
that
you
I
were pulling
recall.
over? Do you remember what the suspect was wearing?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance.
I'm getting there.
Overruled.
He was wearing some type of puffer coat and some shorts.
So a very distinguishable, blatant, obvious, you could point that guy out of a crowd, kind of.
If you see him, yeah.
And you said, we have confirmed that you have ran into me previous times through this night. Was I wearing the same outfit?
I don't recall.
All right. I do believe that I was, and it would be.
Counsel's testifying, Your Honor.
I'm just clarifying. I'm not.
Objection. Counsel's testifying, Your Honor.
Sustained.
So you have no recollection of.
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered.
I'm just clarifying.
Objection.
Overruled.
Okay. Okay.
Just let the man speak.
No, I don't recall.
This is hilarious. I'm having so much
Alright,
fun.
you do not recall what I was wearing. So.
I mean,
take
he
that
could have
as-
objected to my testimony as well, or my my examination.
I'm good to go. No further questions.
Prosecution, are you?
No
Yes.
redirect from the state, Your Honor.
Thank you for your witness testimony, sir.
Oh, that's funny. State would like to call their next witness, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
The state calls for Detective Roger Motar.
Hey, Mr. Murtaugh, don't look so down, buddy.
Bo played a lawyer character once. I bet that was fun.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this matter shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Detective Murtaugh, how are you today?
I'm doing all right this evening. How about yourself, sir?
Doing outstanding. If you would please state your name, rank, and agency for the record.
My name is Roger Murtaugh. I'm a detective for the BCSO.
And how long have you been employed as a law enforcement officer with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office?
I've been employed with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office since they opened about 6 months ago. Before that, I was with LSPD for about 6 months.
So you've spent quite a lot of time as a law enforcement officer here in this state.
Correct.
And were you on duty on the day of May 30th, 2026?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Detective Murtaugh, were you present during the traffic stop involving the defendant?
Yes, I pulled up on the scene to assist Officer White.
Okay. And did you observe the defendant during the stop, his behavior, the verbal interactions, all of that?
When I arrived on scene, Officer White was getting the person's identification. Once he obtained the identification, came back to the vehicle. We ran his name. We seen he had prior felonies, one being attempted murder of an LEO. We decided that a Code 5 stop was needed as he is a prior felon and has a attempted murder of LEO charge on his record. So we did the Code 5 traffic stop where I pointed my duty, issued my, oh my goodness.
Your service weapon.
Duty issue service weapon. Yes, sir. Correct. Sorry about that. At him. And I gave him verbal commands to step out of the vehicle, which he complied. Stepped out of the vehicle, told him to walk back towards me. He walked back towards me as I was putting my gun away. He ran back to his car as I was reaching for my handcuffs and fled the scene.
So during this traffic stop, after you had ordered him out of the vehicle and he got out of the vehicle, he did not remain at the traffic stop for the entire duration. Correct?
No, sir. Once I put my service weapon away and was reaching for my handcuffs, he ran back to his vehicle.
Okay. And when he ran back to his vehicle, I'm assuming he fled the scene?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what occurred? Sorry. And you were involved in the pursuit, correct?
Yes, I was. I was the secondary officer in the pursuit.
So you observed the defendant's driving behavior, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Was it very erratic?
Yes, he was in opposite lanes of travel multiple times and was driving at excessive speeds throughout the city.
Huh. Okay. And I'm assuming he didn't obey any traffic control devices, stop at red lights, stop signs, yield to pedestrians and all that good stuff?
No, he had no regard for the public.
Very good. And was there a collision with the vehicle at the end of the pursuit?
Yes. He ultimately T-boned a red vehicle in the side. They had the right-of-way light, and he came up the hill and smacked them in their side.
Ah, okay. And following the collision, were commands given to the defendant?
At first, as soon as we got to the collision, he stepped out of his vehicle, got into Officer White's vehicle. Once he was in Officer White's vehicle, we pointed tasers at him, ordering him to get out of Officer White's vehicle.
And did the defendant comply to your orders?
The defendant did not comply. He was ultimately tased, got back into the vehicle, and was tased out of the vehicle once more before being detained.
Okay. And did you advise the defendant of his Miranda rights after he was placed into custody?
Yes, as soon as he was put into cuffs, I read him his rights before even taking 2 steps away from the vehicle.
And did he indicate that he understood said Miranda rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you, Detective.
Defense.
I have no questions, no cross examination.
All right. Witness, you're free to go.
The state would like to call Sheriff Ty Smith to the stand.
Sheriff, do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, nothing but the truth, whole truth, so help you God?
I do.
You may proceed to the stand.
Sheriff Smith, how are you today?
Doing good, sir.
Outstanding. For the record, could you please state your name, rank, and agency?
My name is Ty Smith. I'm the sheriff of Blaine County.
Huh. Very good. And how long have you been employed in law enforcement?
In law enforcement, total of 12 years. With the sheriff's office, I was elected January 1st of 2026.
So quite a long time. So you must have a lot
Yes,
of
sir.
knowledge about, the law as it pertains to officers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what training and or certifications, if any, do you possess regarding conducted electrical weapons, commonly known as tasers?
I have been a certified Axon taser instructor for 4 years now.
And have you instructed or trained other law enforcement officers in the use of tasers?
I have, yes.
Approximately how many hours of training, if you can recall, have you received regarding use of force and conducted electrical weapons?
I don't have an exact number. I have 11 years of use of force and 4 years of taser energy weapons.
Okay, good enough. And have you previously been recognized as an expert in the fields of use of force or conducted electrical weapons such as tasers?
I have.
Your Honor, at this time, the state moves to qualify Sheriff Ty Smith as an expert in the fields of conducted electrical weapons and law enforcement use of force. Your Honor.
Your Honor, Dan fell asleep.
I think he had to go take that shower he was talking about.
Possibly. Your Honor, you there? Okay. Well. Can we get a medical officer over here? You can check the.
What happened?
Oh, there you are. Hello.
I think there's more prying situations medically that's going on in the lobby. Omar just fainted.
Are you here, Your Honor?
Yes.
Ah, okay. At this time, the state moves to qualify Sheriff Ty Smith as an expert in the fields of conducted electrical weapons and law enforcement use of force.
Noted.
Okay. All right, Sheriff Smith, can you explain to the court what a conducted electrical weapon is designed to do?
It is designed to deliver two electronic probes into the muscle groups to cause neuromuscular incapacitation.
Okay. And for the lesser intelligent individuals in the courtroom, could you explain that a little further?
Yeah, it's less lethal force option used to assist officer safety controlling resistant and dangerous individuals.
Okay. And so this is not a lethal force option.
It is not a lethal force option. However, if individuals have certain health concerns, problems, or secondary injuries could cause injury or death.
Okay. And in your training and experience, when is the use of a taser generally appropriate?
For an individual that is resistant or dangerous.
Okay. And are officers trained to give verbal commands before deploying a taser when circumstances permit?
Yes, sir.
And why are verbal commands important?
It is important due to the use of force escalation as described in Graham v. Connor and Tennessee versus Gardner.
Okay. And assuming an individual has been involved in a high-speed pursuit, has been ejected from a vehicle during a collision, who also enters a patrol vehicle and repeatedly refuses law enforcement commands to exit said vehicle, would that present officer safety concerns?
That would, yes.
And why would that situation create officer safety concerns?
Due to his actions, his or her actions, it shows resistant and individuals who do not comply with orders are considered resisting arrest or obstructing an investigation.
And in your professional opinion, is an individual who refuses law enforcement commands after a dangerous pursuit considered actively resistant?
Yes.
And what force options are generally available to officers when dealing with an actively resistant individual?
We have a wide variety of tools such as batons, tasers, all the way up to lethal force options is your duty-issued firearms, your long gun and pistol.
And for this circumstance, a taser is generally the most preferred way or preferred method of incapacitation, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let's see here. If the first taser deployment fails to gain compliance and the subject continues resisting or refusing commands, would a second deployment be consistent with training?
Yes.
And based upon the facts presented to you, do you have an opinion as to whether the deployment of a taser in this incident was consistent with accepted law enforcement training and practices?
I do believe so, yes.
Okay. And can you explain the basis for said opinion?
Due to the fact that he was a non-compliant individual refusing to exit a vehicle, the only applicable way to get him out at the time, from what I have reviewed, is to use the department-issued taser to cause neuromuscular incapacitation to be able to cuff under power, which is while he is getting tased, to securely place handcuffs on the suspect where he's no longer a threat to others.
And Sheriff Smith, my last question to you. Regardless of any force used after the collision, would the defendant's actions prior to the collision still constitute fleeing, recklessly driving, felony speeding, and any of the other charged offences here today?
Can you word that again?
Sure. Regardless of any force used after the collision, would the defendant's actions prior to the collision still constitute the charges that were listed today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you, Sheriff.
Defense, do you wish to cross-examine?
No need.
Sheriff, you're free to return back to your
interesting.
position.
Your Honor, redirect. Just for a second. Sheriff Smith, can you step back to the stand? Okay. I'm going to re-say this question for you, okay? Different words. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, let's see. Before the collision of the vehicle, right? The defendant was in a vehicle pursuit. He crashed into another vehicle, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think that the defendant should have still fled from police, recklessly drove, felony sped, or anything else that was listed today?
I'm gonna go objection leading there.
It's just
Sustained.
Okay. I'm going to re-say the question, and I need you to understand the question. You understand?
Yes.
Regardless of any force that was used after the collision, okay, that meaning the taser and the verbal commands, right?
Okay.
Would the defendant's actions prior to the collision still mean that he should have fled or recklessly drove or anything of the matter?
Objection again, leading.
Sustained again. You're saying the same thing.
Okay.
Are you
can't ask
asking
him
my
if I'm
opinion
guilty or
if
not.
he? Are you asking my opinion if he should have fled?
Correct.
No, I do not believe any individual that is on a traffic stop or had just fled from police should flee again. No.
Very good.
Seems
Now,
very
no further
informal.
questions.
Did you not sustain both objections just for him to continue with the exact questioning that he was saying?
I didn't ask a question, Your Honor. The defendant clarified the question that I was supposedly asking and answered
That
it.
was objected twice.
I can restate.
On if he should flee or not.
I mean, I can restate the question, Your Honor.
No, I think we get the point.
Okay, very good. I have no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Mr. Carnegie, would you like to cross-examine?
I am good.
Okay. Does the prosecution have any more witnesses they would like to call?
No, Your Honor. The defense would like to look at Exhibit A, the body cam recording of Deputy Chief Omar White, if we could.
Okay, we're gonna do that part a little different. So we're gonna get these testimonies out of the way, and then we'll go to the chambers for the evidence. Okay.
Very well, Your Honor.
Mr. Carnegie, do you have any witnesses?
No witnesses.
Okay. So at this time, if I can get the prosecution and the defense and the bailiff and the chambers, we'll review the evidence, and we'll come back out, and
Very well, Your Honor.
we'll stand for deliberation after that. So. The court will be in recess. We're going to PE. Sometime today, Mr. Carnegie. Are you coming to the chambers?
My apologies.
You're gonna have to unlock that door for him. Come on, let me hold it open.
Come on in. There you go.
And here are you individuals in here. Your Honor, you mind if I eat something real fast?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm about to eat something too. I'm starving.
This kind of if you could please join the court lobby. PC. Or rather the courtroom itself. Thank you.
And if y'all will just do just to talk in here for now.
Omar, your turn.
Sheriff Smith, do you have a hurricane simulator in the background there?
Oh, no, I don't, Your Honor.
Sure sounds like it.
Does it?
It did for a
I
second.
don't even have a fan on or anything.
The video, Omar.
102, you're 200. Courtroom, VC, they're ready for you.
Ow!
My bad. My apologies. That was payback for Omar hitting me earlier.
I guess so.
All right, what do we got here? Okay.
This is 24 minutes. How do you want me to show it? Just relevant parts or the whole
Yeah,
thing?
just
fine.
I'm not watching 24 minutes of evidence here.
Just do let's do the start of the traffic stop and then the pursuit.
Okay. And this is the start. Already see the vehicle right there. You see he's getting back in. Comes up to leave. I got that vehicle on speed trap right in front of me. 8037. Red light.
The area running radar on the lookout for the vehicle.
And there's a speed.
How fast did it clock me going there?
I believe it was 73. I can go back and double check.
73 in a...
This is a posted 30.
A posted 30?
Yep.
It was my understanding that all speed within the city is beyond just the posted.
No,
That's
all
incorrect.
speeds in the city is the posted speed limit.
I mean, speed limit signs are there for a reason.
Sir, turn off your vehicle. There we go. Good job.
Traffic stop. Backup needed.
Alright, sir, roll your window down for me.
Oh, sure.
Are you able to turn that up at all?
Good, how are you?
You know, doing just fine.
That's good. My name is
How can I
Commander
be of
White.
assistance to you?
My name is Commander White with the
Commander
Los
White,
Santos
nice to
Police
meet you.
Department. Nice to meet you, sir. Deputy behind you is going to be Deputy Martov. Reason for the stop today? Martov, yeah. Reason for the stop today is 143 northbound pillbox when you're coming up, and then you went into that garage. I went and followed you for a little bit. I know you've seen me to see if you continue exhibiting speeding signs, and you did. You went in excess of 80 miles an hour over that 40 on that bridge. So that's the reason for the stop. Yep. You got your driver's license?
Is this, let me pause this for a second. Is this going to be where you did the code 5, or is the code 5 later on?
This is
The code 5 is in about like 30 seconds after I get back in the vehicle. This is me getting positive identification from him.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's fast forward it through this then.
Let's go.
You stay in your vehicle, I'll make him to call him out.
Driver, turn off your vehicle and step out of the car with your hands up.
104-257.
Driver, turn off your vehicle and step out of your vehicle with your hands up.
You're gonna be on a code 5 8199.
What on earth could I have done?
Turn and walk away, face away from me, and walk towards me to the sound of my voice.
Just pull up on the scene or just hang back?
You can hang him back for now. He's cooperating.
Alright, stop.
I got you.
Going for cuffs. Sir, don't get in the vehicle, sir.
He's taken out. We're gonna be west.
Mr. White, was that pink gun duty issued?
Yes, it is, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and pause it here. Sheriff Smith.
Yes, sir.
Is it standard operating procedures for an officer to go up to the window, proceed as a normal traffic stop, and then come back and do a code 5 traffic stop?
Depends on, sometimes you know who you're dealing with, sometimes you don't. At that point, from what it looked like to me, he was waiting for positive identification through the state of San Andreas driver's license before he conducted the code 5.
I think it's pretty obvious he knew exactly who he was dealing with from the vehicle and his previous altercations and my outfit. He knew exactly
Can
who it
you...
was before he
Objection, Your
approached
Honor. He already answered this in testimony that he does not recall the the description of the individual prior to.
All right. Can either Deputy Chief White or Sheriff Smith re-inform me on what a code 5 traffic stop is and what the point of it is?
Code
Just
5
briefly.
traffic stop is a felony stop to litigate and create public safety, officer safety.
Okay.
Essentially, it's doing your best to mitigate individuals from committing more crimes.
Okay. What else do we have in this body cam footage besides the pursuit?
The failing to obey lawful commands as he exited the vehicle after the collision.
Can we go ahead and fast forward to that part?
Maybe this one Havoc now, 7128.
10 to 66. Speed trap.
Major objection. Sir, hands up now! Hands up now!
Out of the vehicle, let me see some hands.
Open the door.
Out of the vehicle, let me see some hands. Get on out, bud.
Step out the vehicle.
Sir, let me get out of the vehicle, let me see some hands.
Hands up now. If you want to open my driver door when Come on, Murtaugh. There we go. Thank you.
And that concludes it.
All right, at this time you are on.
Do you want me to continue it, Your Honor?
I think we get the totality of it all. Is that all, Your Honor? Thank you for listening.
Sorry.
Oh, there we go.
Is there any other evidence that needs to be presented?
Just the Miranda rights. I mean, we have the positive identification. We have the video footage of him leaving, all that good stuff. The Miranda rights is read shortly after this. Still in the recording. We have the dispatch call on the screen there. We have the body camera, all that good stuff. So I think that's all we need, Your Honor. Everything has already been submitted into evidence as well.
Okay.
We can proceed back to the courtroom if you'd like.
Yeah, we'll go into deliberation now, if you guys are good with that.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Open and shut. I think that we did pretty well. I had to clarify and restate information or the question that I asked Ty, because I'm pretty sure that because he said it wrong. Because I asked him, I was like, "Do you believe that he should have still fled from police after he was or before he was even tased or anything like that? Like after, tasing excluded." Before he crashed into the vehicle, should he have still fled from police? And Ty was like, yeah. And I had to re-clarify. I was like, no, that's not going to be good enough. Good luck, Mr. Carnegie.
Why, thank you.
You're going to need it.
That's wild.
That's not very professional.
I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Guys, I have a question.
Yeah. What's your question?
Never mind.
Okay. Hey, Omar. Come here.
Yeah.
He's getting the book, bro.
What'd you say?
He's getting the book.
Yeah, that me up.
You ready?
Can I come over?
Yeah.
Here, meet.
I'll meet you halfway. Do you have it?
Yeah, just give me
Okay.
one. Yeah, let's.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When is this thing?
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Come on, some tacos.
What'd you say? What'd you say? W prosecutor.
W's on the shafts.
Oh yeah. Oh God.
Hey, Omar, you smell pretty good. You smell pretty good, bro.
Do I?
Yeah, what you wearing?
Can't tell you.
That's wild.
Just some Axe.
Oh God.
Sit down. You're not wearing it. Get out of here.
Just some Axe, brother.
Axe. Oh God.
What are we, 18?
Yeah.
Brother, I got Axe
Oh,
and a
you
100-hour
okay?
deodorant on.
Jesus.
Still got 10 hours left.
What body wash do you use?
Did you get that in a
That
little Christmas
18 in
package
one.
from your grandma?
Oh God.
My grandma's dead.
Oh, that took a turn. Hard turn left. On a highway.
Right?
No, it was actually on a city street. She was taking a right turn.
Oh God.
That's crazy.
Uh,
Was the defendant driving?
no, someone like the defendants.
Oh my God. Judge deliberating heavy back there.
I was fully. This is a question for the officers. So the speed limit is just what's posted. I thought it was a set limit within the city, a set limit for the outskirts, and a set limit for the highway.
No, it's everything that's posted, no matter where you are.
I mean, it's officer discretion whether or not you're on the highway. The highway's like a post 65, I think it is, but it's officer discretion whether or not they want to put you over for 66 or 75.
Or 67.
Yeah.
I swear I was told by an officer otherwise.
They were incorrect.
What about this officer?
Hey, you pull people over for 66 and a 65.
Mm-hmm. And window tint.
and one of the, you know, actually, you could have charged him with a faulty tail light. His right tail light was
Right.
out.
And now that I think about it, if my grandma was alive, I think I'd pull her over too for the same thing.
Oh God. Okay.
Maybe it would have stopped the crash.
Oh my God.
Omar, have you ever thought about maybe
Not talking.
yeah,
Oh, okay. Sorry.
maybe giving people a little more leeway might hate you less.
What
He
kind
likes
of
to do
leeway?
paperwork. He likes to do paperwork.
Yeah, I guess he does.
What kind of leeway?
Like, I don't know, maybe some warnings.
Brother, I give
Slow it
probably like
down.
10 warnings a day. Would
Maybe
you give a
not
warning for
pull
140?
somebody.
Only 10.
And then
No,
he
I
wakes
might
up.
pull someone over for that, but pulling someone
Okay.
over for 66 and a 65.
Oh,
might
shh,
be
shh,
a little
shh,
bad.
shh, 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 shh.
All
Hey,
right.
hey, quiet.
Okay, gentlemen. I was getting there.
Hello, Your Honor.
All right, having reviewed the testimony, the evidence, and the arguments presented, the court finds as follows. Mr. Carnegie, would y'all like to do closing statements real quick? Do y'all have closing statements?
Not that I need to, but I definitely would love to, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. We'll do
Before
closing
we do-
statements. And I believe there was a motion that was needing to be had as well.
Yeah, but I mean, we can disregard it if you like, Your Honor. I mean, it was just a motion for the exclusion of irrelevant testimony.
I would
regarding
also like to make a motion as well.
regarding police conduct and police department policies and things of that nature, Your Honor.
Mr. Carnegie, what's your motion?
Before we head to the closing statements, I would like to respectfully move for a dismissal of this case. I contend that the officer's unlawful conduct and unnecessary escalation of the encounter directly contributed to my subsequent actions. Because the government's case relies upon the conduct that arose from that unlawful interaction, I believe a dismissal is warranted.
Your Honor, this is preposterous.
Shouldn't have brought that up first.
Yeah.
All right. First off, prosecution, refrain from making little side comments like that. I don't appreciate that in my courtroom.
Understood, Your Honor.
Second off, Mr. Carnegie, I am going to deny that motion. Before you get upset about it, just stay and hang out and listen to what I have to say for your verdict. Let's go ahead and go with the closing statements here. Prosecution will go first, and then Defense, you offer yours, and we'll get to the verdict.
I'll use this for my closing. May it please the court. Today, the evidence presented by the state has been clear, consistent, and unrebutted. Deputy Chief Omar White testified that he received a dispatch call regarding a Hyson traveling at approximately 143 miles per hour. Upon locating said vehicle, he personally observed the defendant, Bartholomew Carnegie, commit additional traffic violations, including running red light and continue to operate his vehicle in a reckless manner. Deputy Chief made contact with the defendant, identified him, and initiated a lawful Code 5 stop. The defendant initially complied. However, rather than remain detained and follow lawful orders, the defendant made a conscious decision to re-enter his vehicle and flee from law enforcement. The evidence is also established that the defendant then led officers on a dangerous pursuit throughout the city, reaching speeds of approximately 182 miles per hour, driving in the opposite lanes of traffic, and placing every motorist and pedestrian in the area at risk. This conduct was not accidental, it was deliberate. Although the defendant may say the police were responsible for his actions, Mr. Carnegie made the deliberate decision to act in said manner. The testimony of Deputy Chief White and all other police officers that were on stand today was corroborated by the assisting officers who responded to the incident. Their accounts were consistent with one another and consistent with the physical evidence. The state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that every element of every charge offense for felony fleeing and eluding, the defendant knowingly fled after being lawfully detained. For the reckless driving, he crashed into another motorist vehicle. For the felony speed, it's apparent he was going 182 miles per hour in the pursuit, fleeing from officers in the hopes that he would get away, or in the hopes that an officer would lose sight of him, or that they would crash. The court's responsibility is not to determine whether the defendant regrets his actions, or if his actions were charged because of the police's actions. The court's responsibility is to determine whether the state has proven the charged offenses beyond a reasonable doubt. And based upon the testimony and evidence presented, the answer to that question is unquestionably yes. According to the state, we respectfully request that His Honorable Court find the defendant, Bartholomew Carnegie, guilty on all accounts as charged. Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you to this Honorable Court.
I want to start off by saying thank you to those showing up and dealing with my lack of experience during this case. I know I might not have been the most professional, and I do apologize for those moments, but I believed this to be the best situation I could bring for myself. I simply hope that through this scene, the court can make a
Not
honest
that I need to,
decision
but I would love
after
to.
seeing the
Petty.
evidence presented that the scene was not conducted with professionalism, and that there was
What do
an
you
unnecessary escalation of force.
No,
and
there
threat
wasn't.
to my life,
He has an attempted murder charge on his record.
and that those factors are simply taken into account when deciding this verdict. Thank you for your time.
Your Honor, the state has an additional comment.
Go ahead.
I just would like to reiterate that the defendant does have an attempted murder charge of a police officer on his record. That's all.
Bailiff, you got anything else you want to add?
Oh, this is hilarious. If he decides that
I'd
this
like
guy's
to,
not guilty, I swear to God, the court system's
just,
flawed.
make a comment that a previous action, especially a one-off, should not be justification for any action done to the individual in the future.
He's a convict, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you two can play patty cake over that in the parking lot. All right, we're going to talk about the charges at hand here today and while we're in the courtroom, if that's okay with you, gentlemen.
Of course, Your Honor. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
Oh God.
Everybody say what they want to say. Everybody's speak now, forever hold your peace. Good.
I am at peace, Your Honor.
Okay. Murtaugh, you doing okay over there? You still look a little sad, buddy.
Yeah. These tacos are pretty good though.
That is like a good taco. Okay. All right. Let's get to the verdict.
He's in a gang.
Shut up. One more outlash like that. You know what? No, we're almost done. I'm gonna stay good. Okay. Having reviewed the testimony, evidence, and arguments presented, the court finds as follows: Mr. Carnegie, charge 1, felony fleeing and eluding.
Guilty.
I find you guilty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Charge 2, reckless driving. I find you guilty.
Yeah.
Charge 3, felony speeding. I find you guilty. Charge 4, failure to maintain lane. Guilty. Charge 5,
guilty.
Failure to obey a traffic control device. Guilty.
Guilty.
Charge 6, failure to obey a lawful order. Guilty.
Give him the electric chair.
Now, Mr. Carnegie.
Sorry, that was a little
With
much.
these charges read and the verdicts read, it is my understanding that you have already served 20 months in Bolingbrook Penitentiary. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. And I have paid a
Okay.
fine already.
Okay. The charges came out to around 40 months, I believe. I do not see fit for you to go back for 20 months, so I will be giving you time served. However, these charges will remain on your record. Now,
Soft.
Mr. Deputy Chief Omar, would you please stand?
Hello.
Deputy Chief Omar, I observed during the evidence many flaws in
shit.
the scene in the traffic stop that took place and the actions that followed.
Oh God.
I am finding Mr. Carnegie guilty on the charges. The evidence did prove that. However, the evidence also proved that Helen Keller can drive better than you. So, with that being said, I am going to demand that you take an emergency vehicle operating course
That's funny.
before you return to duty.
Shh.
Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody kosher? We're all good?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. I thank you for your service.
Okay. Wipe your nose. You got some brown stuff on it, buddy. All right. All right, go ahead, bailiff.
I'd like to see these two fist fight out in the parking lot.
Not gonna happen.
It'd be a
All right.
sanction fight, Your Honor.
I'll do you one better once I make my closing statement. We'll do it in the chambers. I have camera footage in there. I have CCTV footage. We can watch it later.
Not happening
today.
I'm ordering it. Okay. What I say goes, and y'all two will be fist fighting. I got $20 on Carnegie.
Wait, I want to fight.
Yeah, you can take my place.
All right. All parties are advised that this ruling is effective immediately, unless appealed pursuant to the laws and procedures of this jurisdiction. This matter is concluded. Court is adjourned.
Yes, sir.
Gavel sounds.
Court is conjourned.
Stand, y'all.
It's been a pleasure, bailiff. For you.
The court system is not flawed.
Mr. Marshall.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Carnegie. Sheriff Smith. My chambers now.
Deputy Chief Omar,
he said
with
now.
me, please.
We're in trouble.
La la la. They didn't even watch my.
I think right here. I think we got plenty of room right here.
Your Honor, Deputy Chief is going to take my stead in this
No,
brutal
not.
altercation. Ow! Well, now I have to have medical attention. Ow! Okay. All right.
How did that go down?
Okay, this is ridiculous. This is an unreasonable fight.
You're ridiculous.
This is an unreasonable fight.
I'm a judge. You can't hit me.
Thank you for arresting me. And you're forcing me to fight people.
See, this is terrible. Now he should go to jail.
Medical 200.
You'll see a warrant.
I'm not guilty. I promise. I'm
Warrant
not
4 counts of battery
counts
and
of
attempted murder.
Standing is.
And you have 2 state officials here. And you're locked in. Good luck.
We just went it all out, bro.
You're locked in here. Oh, God.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Nope. I don't have keys on me.
He's
What the
taking
hell?
judge.
Now he's kidnapped the judge.
It's no. Remember, it's our actions that
taking
caused
the
him
judge,
to do that.
Yeah, right? God.
As per his testimony, it's his actions that caused him to do that, and it should be dismissed.
Sure. Click my
Yeah.
pen.
So, out of a scale of 1 to 10, how do you guys think I did?
I got 3.
Oh, well. Maybe I won't represent Los Santos Police Department anymore. Just to be yourself.
He did pretty good.
Thank you.
You did better than Bo.
I believe it.
Hell, we gave him a winning case, man. Lost us $1 million.
He tanked it? Oh, my God.
Barry McCockner, man.
Oh,
Barry McCockner.
Yeah, I was not losing my first case. So it wasn't happening.
You almost did.
No.
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, because I asked you, do you think that he still should have fled? And you said yes.
Yeah, I did not understand that question.
You should have asked me to clarify more.
Well, I did. I was like, why does that question sound so confusing?
That's why after I was like, no further questions, I was like, actually, you know what? Let me go back up here.
Yeah, I was like, I got to thinking. I was like, oh God, I just think that.
Don't put me in the
That's
puddle
why.
of
That's
blood.
why Bart was like, he was like, oh,
All the same
huh.
color as the
Shirt.
rug.
No, he's got it.
And after he said that, I was like, let me get back up here.
Can you give us CPR? Or
Scully?
something?
Oh my God, can you do something?
I'm taking you
Guys,
all.
you
Oh, we're in the
Stop.
judge's
Oh my
chamber.
God.
Good God.
I'm gonna die.
No, I'm not. You're not taking me outside.
You have to unlock.
Well,
the
he
door.
had no evidence, law. I'm thinking about your last court case with the prosecutor, and I'm thinking that it was bull and that he had no evidence.
You mean like
No,
I didn't have no
gotcha.
evidence?
All it's saying in my thoughts is that bull, he had no evidence.
Are you saying bowl or bore?
Bull, like BS.
Oh, bowl.
Yeah,
Like
bull.
bowl spit.
Oh, you
Yeah.
mean like bullish?
Yeah,
Yeah.
someone had no
Your
evidence.
accent got me.
Nah.
So there was no evidence. Well, that's why you got.
No, there was a ton of evidence.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
hello, ma'am. Why don't you help your husband first?
So, Attorney
You're the
General,
one who hit me.
Yes.
the state will be filing official charges for a warrant on Mr. Carnegie.
We're gonna motion to dismiss because it is our
We?
actions that caused him to do it.
Yeah, it was
Negative.
our actions that caused him to do
Negative.
it.
Negative.
Actually, this time it was.
No, I actually fought against this. I said I wasn't going to do it, and then I got assaulted.
I got a court order.
This is terrible.
It was a court ordered fist fight. It was.
Yeah.
It wasn't a fist fight. It was
A brawl.
What do they call it? No.
One would say a gangbang.
No, I wouldn't say that.
I didn't get game
He
banged
was a
this
gang
time.
member.
Thank you, ma'am.
He's a gang member.
He is a gang member.
Yeah.
Petty. Hell
I
no,
gotta get
Law
out of here.
Petty.
Who's
Yeah,
that?
I was definitely
Oh,
gonna
that's-
follow
oh,
warrant.
okay,
I was
yeah.
definitely
What
gonna
the
follow
heck?
warrant. Oh my
Are you
god,
high?
get out of yeah, let's go, gentlemen. Oh, let's not. Okay.
Oh
Alright.
my god.
Okay.
That's how you use a taser.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, thank you for that.
Like that.
What about this one?
The hell?
I got you, Your Honor.
Well. Hope you guys enjoyed that nonsense. It was a pretty good court case for my first case in this city. You guys know I'm the best attorney in the state. Come on now. I can't wait for more, to be honest with you. I think I have one more pending that just isn't doing anything. But actually, hold on. I need to get into the radio.
Back here, we're okay.
Is the judge in y'all's radio?
No.
Okay.
I don't know where he's at.
I need to talk to him. Your Honor, we have another case pending regarding the regarding the Degrats. When is that happening?
Wait, what is that one?
The one that Scully pinged you in.
Your Honor, you need a ride or what?
Oh, this is my home.
No, you
I
can
live
leave.
here.
Okay.
Go.
I'm leaving. Hey,
Shoot.
okay.
Criminal contest 8.
Your Honor, help.
Shit, I forgot about that. I told them. I tried to get
Oh
them
my
to settle.
God.
That's a stick of
Yeah,
justice, Your
no,
Honor.
no one's settling yet.
Oh, sorry, Denozo.
Ow. You got in the way.
Oh my God, is that Lieutenant Denozo?
It is, sir.
He finally shows his face.
My face is shown everywhere, sir.
I'm sure. So,
It
what
is.
are we doing about this, Attorney General?
I don't know. Why are there spikes on the ground?
I don't know.
Who placed these?
You
Are
did.
you going to get them to settle?
Well,
Or are we going to trial?
I'll try to do a trial. I'll be honest with you. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do another one. I'm moving out of state next Monday.
Oh my God! Well, congratulations.
Your Honor, I want
So
to see
wait,
someone.
you mean indefinitely or?
Temporarily.
Ah, okay. How temporary?
Like it's gonna be months.
Oh, that's
But like
wow.
I'm gonna take my PC, but I'm probably gonna go on a LOA for a little bit while I get my PC moved because I'm going on a contract job, so I'm gonna have to find a place to like an apartment up there and all that good fun stuff. So.
Okay.
Were you not just building your house?
No, I wasn't.
Oh God.
Can you tell him this is an example of giving lawful command?
This is an example of law commands, giving lawful commands. I'm going to hide now.
Such a scaredy cat.
What should I do now, guys? And we've been live for 2 hours, and like 20 minutes of that was stuck loading in. So,
Can you get him
you
up,
guys, I mean, what should we do? We can't really do anything as our lawyer character.
You doing that? Hey, babe, babe, babe,
I mean,
babe, babe.
Let's see, that's 20 people in. We can go on a police ride along.
No due regard for people.
Sheriff.
Who are all these
Sheriff.
people over there?
Do you
Permission
want
to shoot him?
to do a ride along?
Thank you.
Yeah, we can.
Let's do it.
Oh, penis sucker.
Oh my God. Language.
57206.
Am I safe with you all?
Oh, yeah.
Your location.
Do you have any vests?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need a few. Fisher, Fisher, are you still here?
Guess I'm gonna have to walk, do the walk of shame.
Where's your car over there?
It's right over here, but they took my wheels off.
Or
I was
Fenn?
hoping they would leave
Fisher,
before it
Fenn.
happened.
One of y'all.
Those dudes in white earlier, while y'all were prancing around the courtroom.
Hey, I need a ride.
I think the chief of medical is asking for a ride.
Yeah. Overnight. Which one? This one?
Whose car is that?
I don't know.
It's probably Banks' car.
Where'd the judge go?
Oh yeah.
Just take
Where'd
his
the
car.
judge go?
Oh my God.
Hey, thanks.
Damn it.
Hey, Omar's about to drive away right there, and was he
I
not
guess we're
just
taking
ordered
Banks' car.
to get driving lessons?
Yeah, we gotta set it up though. It's not just gonna happen immediately.
Well, yeah, but he can't be driving around a police-issued cruiser without anything going on.
Where'd
Come
that
on.
car go?
Pointing at me for you, crybaby.
Crybaby, I'm simply asking that you follow the judge's orders.
And I was. Oh. Chief, he doesn't see you. Don't mind him.
Yeah, I'm calling mine right now.
You deserve to be dead.
Wait, the chief's here?
Yeah, the chief of Safer.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'll be honest. I don't.
I thought we were about to
It's
see.
okay. You can go back to the station. It's
thought-
okay. I'm gonna go to sleep here on this pavement.
I thought we were about to see a miracle happen that Chief Lawhorn
Is this your
was
car or
in
is
state.
this the?
It's my car. You can just leave it.
Did you hear me?
Park it down at the bottom.
Actually, hold on one second.
Did you hear me?
Yeah. Chief coming back is like my dad coming back for me.
Oh, he went to get the milk.
That's racist.
Oh my God.
What was that about? Alright. You hit me.
Is this a new police vehicle?
I already have a t-shirt.
Oh, I love this.
We're
Joint
rolling deep. Let's go.
Joint department, right along.
Caught him, the best cop ever.
But you just got court ordered to do EVOC training.
He didn't even look at my evoc training. He was being biased.
I think he saw you drive up on a sidewalk to do an illegal U-turn.
Yeah.
Without headlights on.
Go.
He didn't even watch the entire pursuit.
He should have.
Did you lose your tires?
Weird.
Go ahead.
Can I speak with you when you get a chance at your office down at MRPD?
Paper.
So far.
Oh, I get to be on a private meeting? That's great.
Oh.
Oh, look at
Ooh,
him.
we can-
Recklessly driving again. Opposite lanes. On the side.
Look.
Not only are you guilty, but you're committing the crime again.
Oh my.
He has his lights on, so I'm pulled over.
I can't
Yeah,
see
you need to
nobody. Okay, there's a gun floating in the air. And then you
need to take a round
Yeah,
trip.
you need to fix your
Yeah.
eyes.
yeah.
Oh, that guy's crazy. That guy's crazy. Did you hear his laugh?
Do you want to impound that car?
Could
What
y'all
are you
call the
doing?
EMS by chance?
Did we call EMS?
Could you call EMS?
For who?
See where they're at. I'll go meet them. For me.
Oh, she's right here.
I'm slightly.
She's right here.
Ma'am, the judge punched me in the face, and I need some medical attention.
No, you punched the judge.
You did.
The judge wouldn't punch you for no reason.
It's like he got you in your torso.
Yeah, it is the biggest target. He can't hit anything else.
I think your head's the biggest target.
It is big, quite round.
Alrighty, there you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You know what else is big?
No.
His ego.
No. Oh.
Man, what the heck?
I can commit more felonies and I'm not on probation.
Oh.
The judge didn't tell me to take his warrant away.
Oh God, why is it so big now?
Oh, passed over.
Yeah, it's a passing lane.
Who told him he could?
Yellow brake lines in the middle of the road.
Keep driving.
It's quite a wide turn.
No turn signal?
I think the sheriff's tired of your commentary.
Oh, okay. No, I think he remembered he has a meeting to get to.
Yeah.
You're going the wrong way. Or are you taking the tunnel?
LSPD.
LSPD.
Oh, I thought it was at your office.
Oh my God. Hey, ADA.
Yes, sir.
Who's gonna do my evac training?
The sheriff, I'm guessing.
But he's never awake.
He's awake
What are
right
you
now.
talking about?
He's
Can we
here
get
right now.
evac knocked out in 15 minutes?
What are you saying? The sheriff's right here.
I don't think he wants to do it right now.
What do you mean he's never awake? He's in the city every day. Almost every day.
Yeah, it's sorry for a week. I mean, my dad died, you dick.
My dad's been dead.
Okay.
Get the hell out of the way!
Alright. Getting my editor to bleep that out. Don't even have an editor.
Hey, my dad's dead. Wow, you punch me because I tell you that?
Oh my God.
I'm tired of getting medical. Can y'all stop it?
Hey. Stop. Did you do that?
What?
Not you, nerd. Did you do that?
No, I didn't.
He didn't do me.
Okay. Hey. AB.
That's not my name.
It could be.
No, I know whose name that is, though. The idiot that I
Yeah,
forgot
you-
his blood type.
He's a turd too.
Are you saying I'm a turd because, you know?
Okay, here he goes. I'm walking away from you. Slow down so I can walk away from you.
No, you slow down.
No, because then you'll catch me.
Look down.
Down.
You see?
Are we supposed to be following these guys?
Actually, nice office here.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
You don't have the gun on the desk, though.
I know. That's why I like
Less-
my office.
Less intimidating here.
6'7".
Can we help you guys?
Get the hell away.
Oh, sorry. So
Demoted.
To yourself?
What's your Speaking of that, what's your thoughts on Dunn?
What'd you say?
I feel he's pretty active.
Okay. I think you've worked with him more lately than I have, so. But I think he would make a great corporal.
This is the
Conservation.
We're getting the inside
Pulling up the
scoop
roster now.
on BCSO promotions. Love that.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
Cool.
57206.
Quit.
This is the sheriff's office.
257206.
Going for 257.
Get your ass to the sheriff's office at MRPD, top floor.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're in trouble. About to head out to that drug sale, but okay.
It's updated.
Thank you.
What does drug sales have anything to do with conservation?
It doesn't.
Listen, at least someone's doing some police work right now. Can't be mad at that.
Drug sales in the city. There's city officers on.
Where?
Yeah,
We're
one that can't drive a vehicle.
Here, come sit
Go
down
ahead
over
and,
here, Dunn. Have a
Alrighty.
seat.
Inside scoop, guys.
So, Deputy, it brought to my attention that you've been lacking in your duty.
I do have to advise him that Assistant District Attorney Adam Marshall, this is Deputy Dunn O'Neill.
Hello,
Oh,
deputy.
we met earlier.
I've
He's in here for you, by the way.
been informed of your recent conduct as an officer.
Been less than par. Can you explain that?
Not really sure what you're referring to, honestly.
May I?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
Your interactions with the civilian public have been subpar from reports to the district attorney's office, and so I've had to forward said interactions to your sheriff and commander.
Okay.
You're the commander, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So I've had to forward that from my office to the sheriff command, as well as some reports that were kind of lacking in the evidence category. So, yeah, and amongst other things that they've also witnessed, I'm assuming.
Yeah, so unfortunately, after reviewing the paperwork and documentation that the district attorney's office has presented to us, I find it unnerving that you have been subpar in your position, as I personally have stuck my neck out for you and become a game warden. And unfortunately, I don't have any other choice except to put you to corporal conservation.
You're gonna have to repeat that last line because in my ears it was all gobbledygook. No offense, but I understand the word.
Unfortunately, I don't have any other choice but to promote you to the corporal of the conservation division.
What? Hang on. Backtrack. You just told me I was doing a bad job, and then you're telling me I'm being promoted.
Yeah, it's
We're
kind of
telling you you're doing
Kinda.
a bad job as a deputy, and you'd be doing a great job as a corporal.
I feel like that's a backhanded compliment. I mean,
Congratulations,
listen.
corporal.
thanks. I'm not sure what that entails, but okay. After I guess read up about it, SOP.
Your new call sign is a William 234.
I do God dang it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just got used to that one, huh?
Yeah, I did. I quit calling myself. What was it?
22 something.
Yeah, 2986.
Oh my god,
Or
that's
something like that.
pretty big number.
2286.
2286. That 2286.
With the new position, you're or corporal supervisors.
Yeah, they'd be a low command.
Supervisors in
Okay,
training.
so you'd be a low supervisor as a corporal in the division.
Okay.
So you'd help oversee the deputies in the division, oversee reports, stuff like that. Yeah, congrats on the promotion. You're doing a great job. I look forward to working with you in that
Fine.
position.
I gotta remember
With
to go
that being
change everything.
said,
34.
as a corporal, you are automatically obligated to be an FTO as well.
Okay, well, that's no issue.
Additionally,
Maybe we get somebody new.
make sure that your reports are as detailed as possible so that we can have another winning court case like we did today.
I thought she was gonna stand. I was ready the whole time.
I was, but then I realized that
I don't think it was necessary.
yeah,
but
the questions that I asked Motar are the same questions I was going to ask you. So
I'm still confused on why, winning case.
why what?
Something about cake?
Yeah.
Oh, case. It's pretty closed, in my opinion. He took a bunch of laws.
Oh, you're saying why he contested? Yeah, I don't know.
Contested it.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Not sure about why.
I don't know. I mean, the video evidence was pretty clear. So
Yeah. I mean, I was gonna tell y'all the same thing. I came in mid scene in the middle of the chase. When I pulled up, he was crashed out and then hopped in the cop car. Hopped out, got tased, hopped out, got back in, and I tased him again because he
Yeah.
didn't listen after I told him to get out.
yeah.
He looks pretty shut and dry.
You know, I'm actually excited for new cases if they should come. The court case that we have pending is now being settled for some reason. So that's unfortunate, but
Yeah, it would be nice to have more contested ones. So
for sure.
honestly, that court case was pretty fun just to watch.
I would say so. I was going to make a lot more jokes, but decided not to. And I was going to throw a lot of shots.
Tired of y'all arguing back and forth.
Well, I love actually arguing in court. It's so funny.
That's the whole point of being in court, is to argue against the other person.
Yeah, but then again, he wasn't an actual licensed attorney, so
That's true.
I could go all day with the defense attorney. Be great,
Is there
actually.
any other defense attorneys in the city?
There's a lot of them. It's a lot of them.
Never heard of any of them, so.
Yeah, it's terrible. They do a terrible job, that's why.
That's why you must have a good win record, right?
Yeah, they don't actually make it to court. I give them a plea deal. And they plead guilty.
Oh, you throw them a bone? That's
much.
great.
So I don't have to embarrass them in court.
That's funny.
We're just BSing.
Remind me never to argue you in court. You must be good at your.
Pretty damn good. The last prosecutor actually lost the Los Angeles Police Department $1 million.
Where are you going? Speaking of that, do we have like a union lawyer for PD or anything like that? Curious.
Rep.
Okay.
A union
right in front of
the
you.
word
That's our attorney right there.
Yeah, he's the attorney. Union rep.
He's talking about the department appointed union representative. Before court.
Court. Curious if we actually had one.
I'd assume that the sheriff nominates the commander there.
Say that again.
You might be getting a promotion, Scully.
Yeah, seems like you're the new union representative.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
not.
typically our union rep. It depends on. It's usually an individual voted in by the department or a court appointed.
I guess I'll be your union rep.
There you go.
Yeah.
You're good at your job. I'd vote for you.
The only way that I'm going to defend you all is if the evidence points to you having no wrongdoing. If not, then I'd have to bring criminal charges to your sheriff
Oh, I
against you,
understand.
which I'd rather not do.
Oh, if they're not, if the cops are doing their job, it's, you know, your right job to make sure they're doing it, you know? Hold them accountable.
Yeah, it's the worst part of my job. Which also,
let's go get this,
also, Sheriff, I haven't seen a paycheck coming to my bank account the entire court case. I think we should take a look at that.
Yeah. Congrats, Don.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work. Like I
I think
told you
I should-
last night, activity shows more.
I think I should get a $1,500 check.
$100 is crazy.
Yes, hey,
Sheriff don't even make
I'm
that
a
much.
state prosecutor.
Hang on. You make $1,500 a paycheck?
No, I'm saying that I should.
Oh, I thought you said I was like, that's
Oh,
crazy.
I guess I should like promote you in cities.
It's like
yeah.
almost triple what I make.
I mean, a defense lawyer is getting more because they're getting put on retainer by the criminals.
I'm surprised there's not more people, you know, lawyers.
I mean, technically, I could represent, you know, a criminal, but I'm the only state prosecutor, so it doesn't make any sense.
We got a bike taking off on us. It's gonna be eastbound, passing Red Garage. $216 lost eyes.
You jumping in your own, or are you getting?
Put the two wrong numbers.
I was thinking about riding with Dunn here for a little while.
234, correct?
Sir.
Yeah,
Okay, I will make sure
W234.
I can see you now.
Oh my goodness.
Well, good. No, good. Do your job.
I am. Cause I
That's crazy.
I couldn't see nothing earlier.
All right, we'll be 10-8.
That was hilarious. I just want to say that. All right, good.
200 will be 10-8, 10-12 with attorney, correction, assistant district attorney Adam Marshall, known as 200.
Hello.
206, 257 are gonna be in service active 1012, known as 206.
Thought he wasn't 257 anymore.
He's not 257 anymore.
Correction,
Okay,
234
that popped up in
and 206
my
will be
eyes
in
last
active
second.
1012,
That's crazy.
known as 206.
I'm ready to see you deploy that baton.
We get it.
Oh, buddy.
Not gonna lie, this voice is kind of killing me.
I bet.
Where are you going?
200's got that bike.
Where?
Legion took a left towards 13.
Front rear closing.
Got it at 109 northbound Legion.
I'll deploy the baton. So I see you being the petty one encouraging that behavior. I mean, I can't wait to see it, right? I'm a district attorney. I sit in an office all day. I want to see something. Gotta see some action.
They go right towards the casino.
And of course, it's what? Phil and Gemma? Yeah, I think Phil and Gemma.
Another right on Vinewood.
Who's that? Is that Warren and Gemma?
Opposite lanes of travel. Took a left on
Complain
Elgin.
about it on this Carlos. I mean, actually, I wouldn't be the first one to complain. Finn would complain. Because I would shoot them before they
Continuing
do
by
it.
the old Up and Adam. Went straight. Clinton Ave. Correction, Diddy Nav.
Yeah, Finn would complain at the same time. No, I would shoot them before they baton me. That's what I did. That's what I did with Rooster. If you know, you know.
To the left. And another left. Heading
If
back
you know,
towards
you
city.
know.
Take a left on Vinewood. Take a right. Got us there.
Left on Spanish. Left.
Right on Los. Left
Left on Haywick.
Los Lagunas and Hawick.
I'm out on Hawick. Made a left, going towards Legion.
That would
Towards
be
Legion,
right.
That's the right.
Discontinue.
206 in pursuit.
Where you at?
I am.
What do you mean you're in the pursuit? The pursuit's discontinued.
Oh, I didn't know. Sorry, I was in my head.
Jesus.
Jesus. Well, never mind.
Cancel that last statement.
Sorry, listen.
I think you should go back to 257.
Oh, well, come on. I just got it.
Exactly. You just lost it that fast.
Oh, man. It's like baseball. You get 3 strikes. I get 2 more.
Oh, okay.
Good hell.
Y'all, I'm so tired. And I'm hungry, not gonna lie. I'm actually about to go cook
Okay,
some
we're gonna
food.
pull him over.
Can you do that? Pull over another
Yeah.
officer. This is the first I've seen.
You're gonna be on traffic stop. Postal 8054. Hey.
How may I help you today, sir?
Well, you know, back there coming off upper power down on the lower power there, we were in the left turn lane and you decided to cut across all 3 lanes and go in front of us.
You would be correct.
Do better.
Hello, sir.
I will do my best.
I got that attorney with me.
Sorry, here, let me turn my lights on. That's efficient.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, and I'll make the noises. Wee woo, wee woo.
Don't ever do that again.
A little butt chewing good for him.
Yeah.
200's clear.
Do the criminals sell drugs often?
It's hit and miss, really. Yeah, it's typically they wait till we get off duty.
That's backwards. Shouldn't
It's
do
backwards?
that. Yeah, they shouldn't do that.
I don't agree with that either. but
They
hey.
should give you a fighting chance at least.
Yeah. Have you been to the casino yet?
So what?
You been to the casino yet?
I don't typically go there.
Oh, they got this wheel there that you can spin. It gives you money every once in a while.
Oh, I thought it was only for gambling.
I don't know.
Huh.
200 be out with LSPD Route 137285.
Oh, his dog's under his vehicle. You okay, mate?
Yeah, I'm in my head for a second.
Huh.
You're gonna get hit here. You better back up.
I know, I'm getting ready to.
No,
Goofball.
go put it back.
I know I'm a goofball.
You put it back.
I can't get people out if I don't have a push bar.
200's clear.
I,
That is true.
I do believe you're correct. Zeke, are you in city? Oh, he is. Should go do something. He'll be a criminal. I'll watch this. So I saw your warrant request come across my desk regarding a search warrant.
Yeah, a couple of them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I got 5 hours.
What's that about?
Oh, it's a couple of them.
Who against? Who's it against?
I got one for 3 individuals: Jay Smith, Rocco Donnell, and Donnie Holt.
Hello, Commander.
One against the Misfits.
Oh. Is that the blue game?
And
Somebody already
purple.
win the.
Ah, purple.
Yeah, someone won it.
Dang.
And then the other one is for an individual named Jesus Cornelius.
I did see that one. You guys posted quite a lot on that one.
Yeah, I made sure I was pretty thorough on that investigation.
That's good. Love that. Have another
15,000.
open and shut case.
Yep.
Gotta stack that retirement fund, Sheriff.
Come on, I'm tired of sleeping in the cells.
Shouldn't you be retired already?
I can't afford that.
I can afford it. Just be bored. I'm a game warden.
Nothing.
Don't you do it.
That's terrible.
Don't you do it to me. No.
Jeez. That must suck.
Oh, dang. Okay, you win some, you lose some. It happens.
This is correct.
County Sheriff's Office.
At least I didn't lose any money.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at those warrants.
It's okay. I do believe they've been approved, though.
Yeah, do you want to meet us at
How did I just got an air share for Connor's phone?
He's probably in here.
Casino right now.
What's the thing?
Where?
I don't know.
I was at the casino with the guys playing blackjack. Oh, that's good. That's cool.
Oh, he does look like Barry.
Yeah, I thought that was old Barry. Yeah.
Don, have you met Mr. McCockner yet?
Oh, I've heard of him, but never seen him.
It's a lot like this fellow, just with less facial hair.
Okay. It's a heck of a name.
Yeah.
Barry McCockner, attorney at law.
Harry McCockner. Okay.
Great attorney.
I get that name, might I ask?
That's the one that lost $1
Probably
million,
from his
isn't
father.
it?
Oh, he's
No, that's
the
the one that
lost?
won the.
Oh God.
Oh.
He's the one that won the $1 million.
Ah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Who you meeting down at MRPD?
We're meeting him here, Mr. Carnegie, actually.
For what?
Hunting license.
Hunting
Oh,
You're gonna
gosh.
give a hunting license to a felon? I feel like that should be
Yeah, they can.
illegal.
Felons can hunt.
You're gonna give him a rifle.
It should be, but
They can't shoot anybody with it. There's special ammo only for animals.
Ah,
always pulls up in the craziest cars.
Purple, this is all you. Your first act.
How's it
is
going, bub?
Hello. I'm here to acquire my license.
Another felony.
Hunting and fishing.
Why are you talking so slow?
So those with lesser intellect might understand what I am speaking.
Well, I'm a happy-go-lucky guy, but you're kind of talking to me like I'm an imbecile.
Well, I talked to Norm Scully on the phone. Not
Do you remember he's the one that lost the court case today?
Done, O'Neal. You can talk normal.
You ain't want me talking normal. You ain't gonna be able to.
Yes, I would like you to talk normal.
Anyway, Scully, can I get my?
I'll talk to him normal, but you look at me like that.
Right now.
Jackass.
Sorry, one more time. There was a very, very heavy breeze in my ear.
I said, of course. Corporal O'Neal here. The
422.
Corporal O'Neal, I would love
I
your
gotta go.
assistance, please.
Yes, I will gladly give you one. Oh,
Have fun.
got any ID on you?
I sure do.
Okay, can I see it, please?
You just gonna leave him?
No.
No.
I just couldn't do that anymore.
Good luck. You guys are doing a great service to the city.
Oh boy. Sometimes I think about retirement.
Jeez. It's a little extreme, isn't it?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to see what Purple's up to?
What are they doing?
I don't know.
I want to get
Something tells
some
me that, someone's going to Puff Puff.
deputies. Oh, really? Yeah, I want to get a planned execution of that warrant.
I think that'll be a fun one. But what they just raided?
Yeah, I think so. 200 would be out with a black abandoned vehicle, postal 7082.
Yeah, 32.
It's completely abandoned right now. I don't know what's going on. It's just sitting in the middle of the road. 749.
It's locked.
Yeah. I got a tool for that.
Oh.
medical 206.
It's not even coming up in our system. That's bizarre. Never seen that before.
Copy. Could you come to the casino, please? Sure.
Weird.
That is weird.
All that.
You didn't see nothing.
Oh.
That poor pole.
Just in case someone popped.
That pole jumped out in
leave it there
front
for
of me,
now.
okay?
Oh, okay.
200's cleared back tonight. Said someone's going to Puff Puff?
Yeah, I think I saw something on the birdie.
Let's go check it out.
Oh yeah. Might be some illegal activities.
What the hell is going on here? That was a local?
Looks like it.
Driving like that? That's wild.
So you gonna do Omar's Evoc?
Yeah, I'll probably do it if he wants me to.
That's funny.
That's crazy the judge ordered that.
I was expecting him to do something like that. I actually thought he was gonna find him not guilty on some of those for whatever reason.
I think the only thing in question would be for the stop, but I mean it's a lawful stop, but
He had a broken taillight.
yeah. But
All
102 was
kinds of get over
also
there.
yeah, we're gonna hide out. 102 also didn't have his lights on or anything.
It's true. What are they doing?
I don't know.
What are we doing over there, 234? Is he done asking questions? Can we go back in service?
don't know what they're doing over there. Got it all zoomed in and everything. It's crowded around.
Probably some illegal activities.
Should we go see?
I think so. Look at them, all
Look at
criminals.
that bike that ran from us here.
See, I told
Up
you.
past.
Load up.
The bike that ran from you is here at 7170.
Technically he ran from Omar, but
Yeah, then I tried one with him. You know, you got to test the product with the customers, make sure it's good.
Getting high on your own supply?
Absolutely, brother.
That's wild.
I mean, I paid for it.
Oh, yeah. I as long as you pay for it, again.
Oh yeah.
What's this?
Yeah.
This is Assistant District Attorney Adam Marshall.
Hello.
So right along, doing a little bit of live PD here.
Oh, I got you.
Wouldn't that be dangerous for him to ride around though?
We
Should
get
have
a
like a
vest.
vest on or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, shouldn't he have a vest on?
He's got a
one.
vest.
It's under my
just
shirt.
Yeah, it's an interior vest.
It's under your what?
It's
Under your
my
what?
my shirt.
He's English.
Is he saying shirt
or British? Something. I don't know.
What is
Yes,
this?
my
okay, so
shirt.
he's from the pond. Okay.
I don't know.
he's
It
across
sound
the
like
pond.
you just sound like you got some peanut butter stuck on the roof of your mouth.
No, it's a pretty common word. Shirt.
Shirt.
It's
Yeah,
shirt.
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 It
Some
sound
would
like
say
say
blouse.
Blouse.
It's a blouse.
Some would say,
Slacks.
yeah.
Is that slacks?
Yes, these are slacks. This is a blouse.
It's a
Stuff for
shirt.
the
And that's,
succotash.
This
it's
is
shirts and pants and shirts and pants. It's okay.
This is a necktie.
I want that accent.
These are shoes.
Well, it sounds like he just like
You would
yeah, the
you would
extra
sound
wicked
like you
peanut
just
butter
been.
every S.
You better be careful. If you contest any charges, you can be the one going against you.
Contesting?
I don't
I
contest
ain't
charges.
doing nothing.
I'm being nice. I said I want that accent.
He
Uh,
put you under that damn prison.
Yeah, thank you.
I just have the it just sounds like he's been just housing jars of peanut butter all night.
I'm not sure
It's
how.
crazy.
How does that work?
You put a spoon in the jar and you eat it.
Okay.
Yeah, honestly, I mean, I like
So
peanut
you-
butter, so I could
so
definitely
you
go for that.
Americans
I love
just
peanut
eat
butter. You
peanut
ever
butter
put-
just for the fun of it?
Hold on, hey,
Oh, yeah,
don't
with-
come to
with
America for
on
our
toast?
snacks, all right?
On
Beans and
toast
toast.
with
Let me
Washington
ask you a real
blouse, you know what I
question.
mean?
Let me ask
Just
you a real
asking.
question. What's
You
your
come be
favorite
sideways
brand
with your
of
blouse
peanut
on
butter?
backwards.
Who, me?
What's everybody's favorite brand of peanut butter?
Oh, Jif, you gotta get to squeeze Jif.
Jiffy for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Jiffy.
butter.
If it ain't Jiffy, I don't even know what it was.
Peanut butter.
Peanut
butter.
butter.
Skippy's not too bad.
It's
Did we
butter.
go
Now-
crunchy, creamy, or original?
You can say
That's
it's
what I was
butter.
about to say.
It's
It's
butter.
butter. It's butter. Okay.
Butter.
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 See,
I'm
I don't
saying,
like the way you said that.
I'm saying the exact same thing as you. Butter.
You said butter.
No, but you said it wrong. You should fix that.
No,
You already know I talk weird, Gemma.
how are you supposed to
Butter.
say butter?
No, see,
No,
I can
not like
understand
that.
you a lot better than
Butter.
I can understand him. Be honest
It's
with
butter.
Facts.
It's
It's
peanut
butter.
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 Peanut butter.
No, they're not.
There you
It's
go.
not
That's a
T's.
little
It's
bit- that's a little
D's.
better.
Butter.
Can you say a little bit of
A
butter?
little bit
A
smoother.
little bit of butter.
Butter.
Sounds weird.
Da da
That's weird.
da der
You're going, you need to go,
der
There you go.
a
Can you
der.
Come
spell
on, try.
butter though?
But
Like not insulting. Like it's. Can you spell it out for me? We'll sound it out together.
butter. Butter.
So
Better
where's
butter.
the where's the coming from? It's,
I'm
it's
not.
can't believe
I'm
it's
really not sure.
I'm not sure either.
I
Well,
don't
let's
think.
get to the real reason why we're here.
I don't think there's a UH in there.
Why are you here?
Kinda.
You know
Well,
why
this
we're here,
bike-
Gemma.
Smoke a joint.
This
real
bike
quick.
here.
No, I don't. What
This
about
bike
bike?
has
bike?
fled from us twice now.
That one?
Really? That's
Yeah, and I got
I
a
don't
pretty
know.
good look. Who was on it? Because I was on
It's
that
been
ass
sitting
for a
here.
minute.
It's been sitting
You
here.
were on somebody's
know?
ass?
Oh yeah.
That's nasty.
Yeah, you should probably wash your hands.
You like
Hell,
stink on
Phil?
shit?
Why'd you guys point at each other? That was kind of cute.
Anyway, but
What's that butter?
So can
you're
someone
under arrest.
answer a question for me before we do this?
oh, I'd love to answer a question for you, chap. What's up, brother?
What is a brass tax?
Of
A
what?
brass tacks?
A brass tax.
Oh,
It means very dry. It's not what it means. Put it away, sir.
Hey,
pork
chop,
hold on.
shut your face.
If we're getting really technical, you go up to the hardware store and
Mr.
you buy some
Nigger?
brass,
Knees?
and then they tax
Put it away. Thank
Does
you.
it mean these?
I did put Waker's
You
Dome
go
down.
to a hardware store.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get baked beans on my hammer.
And what else?
You buy some brass and then they tax it, so it's a brass tax.
Is that the literal meaning of a brass tax?
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
No.
TACKS.
It means it's very straight to the point.
Was that tacos?
Let's keep it $1.50.
I thought you spelled tacos for a minute.
Brass
$2
tax,
instead of
like
$1.50.
tack, like
Brass
tack wood.
tax.
Why am I still going in circles?
Not TAX.
$1.50.
TACKS.
All right, Phil.
What?
You're coming with us.
What does a $1.50
I beg to
mean?
differ, sir.
Now you're mocking me. That's not nice.
I'm just trying to be like you.
What does a $1.50 mean?
$1.50.
I told you, it means straight to the point.
$1.50.
It's about 90 pounds.
50.
90 pounds of what?
It's like 3.50 cents.
Ah.
$1.50.
Why is he checking Trump?
Now he's
So-
under arrest. Go get him.
So,
he's the one breaking the law. We ain't doing nothing.
So,
sir.
in the context of this conversation, what does a $1.50 mean?
$1.50.
Huh. So you keep it a
Could be-
dollar and a
that's
half
six-
with
That's
someone.
6 quarters.
No, you say keep it $1, not $1.50.
Keep it 100.
Keep it
It's a
a
dollar.
buck. Keep it
it a buck.
100.
Keep it
Yes.
100.
What
You
does
keep it
that
100,
mean?
You know what I mean? Don't say 100. You just sound
Your
crazy.
your
Say
Ameri-
100.
your
100.
American
100.
terms are really confusing.
Oh
It's
no.
100.
you-
Okay.
Just say it with us.
Your
100.
biscuits are confusing. What do you mean?
100. 100.
HUNNIT. 100.
100.
Yeah, 'cause
100.
y'all's biscuits.
Yeah.
Because y'all's biscuits are my cookies over here. You know what I mean?
Oh, right.
Really?
So
Yeah.
what's a crumpet
Yes.
over here?
You call a cookie a biscuit?
That's
What the hell's a crumpet?
A
What's
crumpet. That's
crumpet?
the thing that's in the band, right? Oh no,
No,
it's a
that's a
trumpet.
trumpet.
That's a trumpet.
No,
That's a
that-
trumpet.
yeah, that's a trumpet.
Why are you throwing Monopoly money?
That's the thing that
Alright.
you know. The
Alright,
the
come on,
they
Billy,
start
come
taking
with
off.
us.
It's dirty
All
money.
right, let's
That's
go.
fine.
All right.
No, I don't think that's what he meant.
Have fun.
We're gonna be headed eastbound on Boulevard Del Perro.
You need gas.
Oh yeah, we do.
We're gonna be
Should've thought
making
about
a
that one a little bit.
left-hand turn westbound on Del Perro Boulevard. We're set. Making a right northbound on West Eclipse.
There he is.
Going through the Richmond Hill Hotel.
I think the judge's gonna
Turn
order a
eastbound.
EVOC certification for yourself.
West Eclipse Boulevard.
Nah.
You said you would part with me.
Eastbound on Eclipse Boulevard.
It's terrible.
Yarns out of it.
You still be continuing eastbound.
Major
Check out major.
Oh, we got a
they
major
got into a
50. Let's
crash.
go. Okay.
You think he's running?
Down the road here.
Oh, more than
They're on
likely.
foot, headed eastbound, Vinewood Boulevard.
Well, that confirms it.
Bill just fell?
It did hurt a lot.
Yeah,
heard a lot.
we're gonna keep it a $1.50 with you.
All right, Mr. DeGarth, you got anything that's gonna stick me, stab me, or poke me?
100.
100. Your blouse is backwards, ma'am.
Now I believe your mask is.
Where you take my hammer? No, I've never done that.
I'm going to keep it a buck with you. You're going to jail. Did I use that right?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it 6 quarters with you.
Did I use that right?
All right, watch your head, Mr. DeGarth.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Are you being professional, Norm? Because he's here. Is that why you're being professional?
No. I'm always professional.
All right, who you fooling?
What are you talking about?
Usually you call me the green-haired trash can. Usually that's what you call me.
I
But
have never once called you.
nah, dude, that's what you call me all the time. Now you call me sir and stuff. That's crazy.
I have literally never called you the green-haired trash.
I don't know. I'm just saying you're being awfully professional with that guy here. I don't know, man.
Green head trash can?
He's calling me sir and stuff. So I'm like, this is weird. Ow.
He called you a green head trash can?
You want the bike impounded
All the time.
for?
Then he
for
shot
how
me in the
much?
back.
Oh
I
my
don't even know who
god.
was originally chasing this guy.
It was
Shot me in the back.
I'm not
Deputy
sure either.
Chief Omar.
Oh.
That's not even my bike.
You stole it.
No, I borrowed it.
Huh. Green head
Ow.
trash can. I can't believe that.
Green-haired trash can. You believe that? He called me that.
I can't believe it
After he
actually.
shot me in the back as I was unarmed.
That's terrible.
I have literally never called you that, Phil.
But you shot him in the back.
You ever seen
No.
that? You ever seen that one dude?
But that was
See,
deserved.
see? Okay, now we're lying. You
Deserved.
said no. Then you said, oh wait, yes. That wasn't. I was
Reason for the
unarmed.
store robbery earlier?
Huh.
He shot me. But no, you know that.
that what
What's
he's
that
wanted
dude
for?
in the? What's that dude in the trash
That's
can
why I'm
on
asking
Sesame
is what the
Street? Remember
reason
that?
Oh, I do know who you're talking about.
Alright,
Who that
copy.
is?
The green head
Isn't that
trash
Oscar?
man.
That's Oscar the Grouch.
Is your
Yeah.
name Oscar?
No, it's not.
Are you
But
grouchy?
Norm always calls me. No, I'm not grouchy.
Huh.
I'm never grouchy.
So it doesn't fit.
It doesn't. That's why ask Norm why he calls me that.
Huh.
He calls me Oscar the Grouch. He calls me the green-haired trash can.
Why do you
Hurts
call
my
him
feelings.
Oscar the Grouch?
Hurts my feelings.
He's not answering.
Hey, Phil,
Well, I keep it 6 quarters with me. What you got?
I
$1.50.
met some fellas last night. Said they
Who?
absolutely hate green.
Who?
I met some fellas last night that said they absolutely hate green.
Well, there's not that many people that like us.
It's okay, I like you. He's teaching me new American words.
See, I try. My English is pretty good.
Keep it 100.
You keep it 6 quarters. Yeah.
6 quarters.
Yeah, it's $1.50. Or yeah. But I like to say keep it 100. You know what I mean? Keep it 100.
Keep it 100.
Right, Sheriff? Ah.
Hold on.
Ah.
Keep it 6 quarters.
6 quarters.
Do people actually say that?
No.
Yeah, they do. Don't lie, Sheriff.
Well, I want to be thugs, dude.
He's what they
I'm
call
not a thug.
yanking my chain.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Busting my
What?
balls.
Busting balls.
Huh.
Hanging out.
That's
Ow.
not very nice.
Shoving me. See how they just push me around? Just
Uh-huh.
push me around like I'm just green-haired trash can. Just a green-haired trash can, you guys. Hurt my feelings.
Oscar the Grouch.
I'm not grouchy.
Well, that's what you said, Oscar the Grouch.
That's what Norm calls me. Hurts my feelings.
Huh.
206 is going to 7.
Right,
Yeah,
can
I
you
got a
answer,
Gemma here, red car.
can you answer me a
God.
question? Why do you call him Oscar the Grouch?
Well, who that?
The green-haired trash can man.
I have literally never once called him.
You could at least call me like a trash
okay.
receptacle, or like call me like the green-haired rubbish guy.
He
You know what I mean?
He
But
said he's never called you Oscar the Grouch in his life.
yeah, yes. Hurt my feelings. That's rubbish, is what he said.
I know what that means.
Petrol.
It's rubbish.
Yeah, I know what that means.
We need some petrol.
We do. Do need some petrol.
Aluminium?
It's aluminum.
Oh yeah. You didn't say aluminium?
It's aluminium.
It's aluminum.
No, look at the letters and sound it out. It's aluminium.
That's what the Americans call it.
Yeah. Because that's what
What do you call it? What's the word after aluminum?
What do you mean, what's the word after aluminum? Foil?
Yeah, what's it called?
That's foil.
Yeah.
Foil.
Aluminum foil.
Foil.
There's an I in there.
Yeah.
So how do you pronounce oil?
Foil.
It's not O-L-E. It's O-I-L.
That's what I said.
Oil.
Would you say it? You said I-L.
No, it's O-I-L.
That's what I said. Oil.
Oil.
Change oil.
Okay.
What do you call it? What do you call the thing at the store that you push around and put your stuff in?
A shopping cart.
Buggy.
That's a buggy.
That's a buggy.
It's a
That's
buggy.
a shopping cart.
It's a shopping cart.
It's a buggy.
Bill, why are
Listen
you over
here.
here telling him I'm calling you all these names that aren't true?
Hey, said
Listen
you
here,
call
Ice
him
Chest.
Oscar the Grouch and
You know, Norm
trash
calls a cooler an
green-haired
ice chest?
trash can man.
It is an ice chest.
It's a cooler. It's a cooler.
It's an ice chest.
It's a cooler.
It's an ice chest.
It's
It
not, you're
is
wrong.
an ice chest.
No, it's
Well,
not.
correct.
An ice chest is like a deep freeze.
No, deep freeze is
No.
deep freeze.
No.
Or a freezer.
Or I can see an ice chest being where you keep the bags of ice. But
Well, you keep ice in an ice chest full of beers and drinks and other sorts of various.
then you put it in a cooler.
You put it
Know
in
what
an
I'm
ice chest.
Norm, get my hammer back.
I don't have
I
it.
gave it back to you.
I didn't.
Look in your pockets.
Stop yelling at me.
While you're at it, show me your identification.
I don't have a hammer.
You call
telling
it
you,
an
I've
ice
seen it in
chest.
there.
I
We
swear.
call it a
Search.
port.
Top slot.
You can search. Search.
You call it an ice
Yeah, top
chest. We
slot.
call it a portable container.
It's not there. You can search.
Right next to your
It's not
spanner
there.
wrench.
That's
Good night.
not.
Good night.
Good night.
I swear
Oh,
to
that
God,
was
it's not there. You just put
See
it
it
in there.
now? No.
You just put it in there.
No, I did not.
Stop
I just
yelling
took
at
it
me.
out and put it back in.
Don't hurt my feelings. I don't know if it's there now or not. It's not there.
Okay.
Never mind. It went to the bottom.
Okay,
My top.
fella.
I swear to
Okay,
God, I
fella.
found it. I found it. It went to the bottom. I don't know why it went to the
Give
bottom,
me your
but it went to the
ID.
bottom. Why?
You're in jail. 20 months. That's your health insurance.
Oh. Sorry. Look at that. It's a good looking picture, huh?
They let you take pictures with your
Okay,
mask
yeah.
on at the DMV.
Yeah.
Evidently. All right, 20 months. You ready?
20.
Be 10 since we had to get you medical.
Getting 20.
Mr. Marshall, would you like to stand back?
Sure.
You have to put this in evidence.
Everybody's acting so professional now that I'm the ADA.
Ready?
Oh, yes. Do you all use your firearms a lot?
Depends on who you're dealing with. Sometimes, yeah. Give me just 1 second.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have played that after the court case was done. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I
Sorry, I had to use the restroom.
everybody hands go up. And they stay there.
You know the song by DJ Khaled, All I Do Is Win?
234
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.
I should have played that at the end of the court case. And now that I'm thinking about it.
That would have been pretty funny. We're gonna run out of gas.
Oh, yeah. Definitely need that. Petrol. Every time I step into the building, everybody else goes.
And they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it, my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, but they saying Luda's back. Blame it on that contour, the hood call it Ludayak. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like strippers' booties go. My verses still be served.
Everybody
Just refuel my life.
What'd you say?
76 liters.
Up, down, up, down.
Get in, get in, get in, get in.
This is going to be responding to the latest.
You can show us in the area.
216 is gonna be 10-7, 1042. Y'all have a great night.
Come on, bub.
He's gonna ruin it.
I don't know. I don't think he saw you.
No, but the other cop.
Ah. He's definitely out in the open.
I'm gonna walk in the purple compound from the street. Well, 200.
Just
This is
hang
where
out
you
for a
need to go.
second.
You need to go to the top of the
I
mountain.
am just ways.
Shit, all the cops are here now.
Yeah. See him.
It's over there by the gas station. Just had a purple member walking in the gas station.
Don't look so bored. I'm so bored.
Want me to get up on top of Mega Mall?
That's where we just were.
Hey, firm.
It's not much of assistant DA
Busy.
can
I'm gonna
do.
try to get that plate.
Hey, Cruz, try to sit somewhere other than the Mega Mall parking lot.
I'm going.
Like an alleyway or something. You two come over here by me.
Oh my God, KT coming in with the Burrito 4. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you. I love you too, brother. I appreciate you. I hope you have a good night, and I hope you had a good stream.
Mr. Ezekiel Walker.
Oh, the known felon, criminal.
Yeah.
What's going on, Audrey? How you doing? My heart. Exhausted. How are you? I'm doing great, actually. Pretty good. I'm also tired. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta push out that content there, you know.
I don't think there's a back way into Grove Street there.
I don't think there is. And his voice is also killing me. This British accent.
I have
Been
an
doing it
opening right
since
here.
the court case. No, it's still closed off.
No, it's not.
You gonna knock that fence down too?
I'm gonna
There's a
give her
tree
hell.
there. Definitely not destruction of property. No, no. There
This
you
is
go.
Grove Street, man.
That's right. Bottom of the barrel.
Yeah. Ain't nobody gonna notice.
Right. Couldn't we have just gone down the street?
Yeah, I realize that now.
That's not a red weather vehicle.
Jeremy, a traffic stop, postal 9094, parking lot of LTD.
Are you kidding? I literally am just putting gas in it.
Hey, firm.
Hey,
We're
buddy.
still in the area if you need additionals.
What do you want,
Yeah.
Sheriff?
This ain't even straight legal.
I literally just didn't feel like carrying a or 20-pound freaking jug across the street to fill it up. It's going right back
Yeah,
into my
you're
gate.
driving on a public roadway, man.
Gold,
No
blackish
license plate.
colored
Across
high
the
cage
road,
or
really. Is that
Chrysler
how petty
300
we're
like
being
style
today?
just drove through Mega Mall parking lot. Heads up.
All right.
Got me.
Well, what kind of ticket am I looking for?
It's just driving no registration or insurance.
Okay. All right. I'll
You
pay
got your
it.
license on you?
Yeah.
And that's even if I give you a ticket.
Brother, you literally pulled me over for filling it up when I came from right there.
You think I'm just automatically gonna give you a
Yes.
ticket?
Yes.
Why would I do that?
Well, why would you pull me
I
over?
like to
knowing
give a
came
little bit
right
of
across the
leniency
street?
around here. Just showing I
Sometimes
got
that is true.
contact with you, you know what I'm saying? Alright, give me a few minutes. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay.
Oh, that's why. I probably should.
Shaggy, be careful. Gold's running around near our territory. Don't be around here right now. Last thing I need is you getting grabbed by yourself.
How are you doing today, Mr. Walker?
I was doing fantastic. I was excited to race my go-kart around in my parking lot over there, but...
Ezekiel,
Hey, what's up, Sheriff?
quit acting like someone kicked your dog. Get up.
Huh?
What? Brother, I just get tired of standing, man.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna write you a citation. It's literally across the street. But I got a document that I contacted you. No big deal, okay?
All right.
Definitely doesn't have a warrant or
Once
anything.
this is done, keep it off the streets. Okay?
Can I at least, like, just drive it across the street to fill it? You know how heavy these things are?
Yeah, I know exactly. I've had to carry it a time or two.
Yeah. So wouldn't you just love and appreciate it if somebody give you a break to walk across the street with it instead of having to carry it? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm not saying I'm writing you a citation or nothing, but just saying.
No, you
that
just told me not to do
could
it again.
happen.
You know?
It could happen. It could someone give you a citation?
Who's that?
Yes, they could.
Is that Mueller?
No, I don't know. I think that's
Mr.
Officer Jackson.
Oh, thank God, I can't stand Mueller.
Sorry, Miss Jackson.
I am for real.
real. He's gonna get a citation if he drives that go-kart again.
I was
Anyways.
even gonna be nice and play a song for you.
I'm not gonna write you a citation, but someone could if they seen you riding it around. Okay? But do me a favor, keep it off the streets. Copy?
All right, that's for you though.
Turn it up, son.
Man, oh, wrong one.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, boy.
You don't like
This is
put
her
on the
favorite song.
I like Ain't No Love in Oklahoma. Just play that
Us
one.
are shooting 8 balls, throwing darts at the wall.
Wait, how would you
Feeling
even know
damn
that
near
song?
10 feet tall.
Wait, anybody tell you look like a Goodwill version of Tony Stark?
That's
No,
crazy.
but thank you.
That's crazy.
I think it's the glasses.
You're getting a citation.
Is that a compliment?
That's crazy.
I'm just playing. Get out of here.
Ain't no love in
200.
Oklahoma.
200's clear. Verbal warning issued.
Oh, he has a gun.
He's got a gun?
Yeah, he has a gun.
Where?
He just had it.
I think it was a gas pump.
No, that was a gun.
Was it?
Yeah, it's like an Uzi.
Is that gold vehicle still driving around?
Oh, we're BSing talking about it was an Uzi. I actually don't know what it was.
Two, 3, 4's back in active duty.
About time.
Man, I wasn't expecting my brain to explode.
Current I was want to make them all. You flashing me?
What?
Were you flashing me?
He has a gun.
Nope.
It's crazy.
Oh, okay. It looked like your
Looked like
headlights
you had
were
a gun.
flashing over there, and you're beeping your horn. I was just making sure you weren't trying to get my attention.
That wasn't me, sir.
All right, man. I just want to make sure.
Is your last name wasn't me, or was it not actually you?
Why?
Cruz, let's break off and
Just
go to the
asking.
ATM robbery.
All right.
257 en route to latest robbery.
He has a gun. It's crazy. Yeah, no, that was pretty funny.
257 or is it 234? That guy, last time I had an interaction with him, he was so pissed at me.
Why?
Because I took him to jail.
That checks.
I mean, like, so pissed to the point where he was cussing me up and down, saying I didn't have any probable cause for him. I ran his plate outside of recycling.
Mhm.
I was like, oh, this guy's got a warrant. And so we went into recycling, and he was in there, and we got him to tell us
234 is
his
going to
name,
be
and
at
we're like,
Big
"You're under
Bank
arrest."
with one gold-colored
Crazy part is that was
Hellfire,
within
two
Loomis.
individuals in green.
And yeah, he was so mad at me, saying that I wasn't allowed to go into recycling to get him, and that the
you have
warrant was
probable cause.
bull spit and all this stuff. Yeah.
Why didn't he contest?
And then he, well, because it wasn't enough time to contest.
Oh.
And he fled, and he definitely
No, you just arrested this
Definitely
man.
wrecked and got ejected.
You just arrest him.
Hey, who the hell's that?
The new guy, okay? You
Yeah.
can do that with him.
What are you guys driving Sporting Gold for?
What's wrong with it?
I mean, it's not your gang
Wouldn't
killer.
have thought that. Yeah, I just wouldn't have thought about that from you all.
I mean, they don't own the collar. I mean, we can all
Hey,
you know,
yeah,
share
you're
the
right,
collar. It's a
you're
good
right.
collar. Why can't we share it? You know what I mean?
Hey, I'm not
Kinda
mad. It
matches
ain't
your,
my
kinda
colors. I don't
matches
give a
your,
shit.
your vest there. So look at that.
I think it
matches your
looks like
vest.
brown, not gold. Oh.
I was just
That's
asking because
definitely-
you know
bro,
y'all are
this is
green. I've never
definitely
seen you
gold.
in
We're
nothing
just
but
living in the
green.
past.
I mean, yeah, we're just trying a little nostalgia, a little, you know, goldish, brownish with some purple smoke, man. That's all we're trying to do.
Oh yeah, I forgot you guys were the Phantoms.
That's kind of little PB&J. Yeah. We're
Excuse me,
OGs,
can
bro.
you grow up, please?
I'm gonna
hey.
smack the blast right off you.
Don't talk to him like that.
I do what I want.
No,
I'm
you
mayor
will
of this
not,
town.
Phil. You will not.
He does
Talk
have
to
point.
him
He
like
is
that.
here.
I'm the mayor of this town, okay? I'll smack his blast wherever I want.
Oh, wait, when's the next election, man? What winning points?
I don't know. We need a new one because I'm not good at it. You know what I mean?
I don't know. I've never seen
Hey, I
you do
voted
like,
for you.
think
Dude,
mayor
I ain't been in my office in weeks. You know what I mean?
I voted for you.
Fake mayor.
Oh,
voted
thanks.
for him too.
Well, I voted for you too.
Yeah,
My house is
that's
technically in the county, you know.
politicians do, man. You know,
I think we should
politicians
let
do.
guys mayor.
Call
I
for
think
an
that'd be
impeachment.
hilarious.
Absolutely not.
Oh
That's why you'd be best. You don't want it.
Who's
No,
this
I
fellow? I
don't
don't know
want
this guy.
mayor.
Who's this guy back there?
That's deputy, not deputy. I forget his
Officer Jackson.
Officer
Jackson.
Cruz Jackson.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
Why is he
Did you see
waving
what-
at me?
Did you see that he just did?
Nah, he,
I'm waving at you. I was telling my dog to sit.
doing commands for the dog.
He got chain
Dogs
on him?
and traded.
Hey, son of a gun!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Golly.
Oh, sorry.
Ow!
I
Why was that guy so aggressive? What'd you do?
don't know. He came at me, man.
You right?
Green head trash
That was
can man.
close.
Alright, so like I was saying, can we just assume because it's date night, y'all admitted to it? What's going on here?
What do you mean?
We
gotta
know
do
what
the whole
date
kit
night
caboodle.
means.
What are you talking about?
We've been around the block enough to know that date night
I know what date night
means-
implies.
Yeah, I mean,
You
the
can do it
green
with
head
the new
trash
Robin
can
the
man
Big
was just
Crab.
arrested.
Money.
Robbing the
Jam
crap
jams.
out of ATMs.
I know we're not on our jam jams.
Gosh darn it.
Shoot.
Oscar the Grouch was just arrested not too long ago.
What do you mean?
The grouch is wild.
Yeah, you just arrested not too long ago.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
It's date night. We'll
Yes,
probably
no,
arrest
no,
him like
it's-
2 more times.
Yeah. Speaking
Is
of
that-
Gemma, you're wanted right now.
I feel like I've seen you at the hospital.
Yeah, Gemma.
Yeah, you're wanted
Where
Why
are you?
am I
A warrant for
wanted?
your arrest?
for fleeing and eluding.
I have a warrant.
No, you don't have a warrant, but we got
I
probable
thought
cause to
you
arrest
did.
you on fleeing and eluding charges.
Oh, here, I got something for you. Whatever your district attorney, whatever you are. I don't know what you are. So.
He's the assistant district attorney.
There you go. There you go. See, I just got a feeling you might like that. There you go.
What's
Alright,
this
so we
used
gotta do
for?
this. Cruz, can you go in and check cameras, please? Thank you.
I feel like it's something you might be into. You know,
What's it used for?
you paint walls with it and stuff.
Oh,
What did he give you?
he gave
See,
me a
there you go.
spray can.
Oh, you.
Oh, go
little
use it at
pervert.
LSPD.
Yeah, go use the LSP.
Yeah,
You'll
not
love
me,
You
it.
better.
CSO.
Hey, you're not free to go.
You'll love it. Oh,
Hey.
where we're going?
No,
You wanna
no,
go,
no,
too?
You're legally detained right now.
Okay.
It's taking off.
Cruz, get back in your car.
We're not gonna.
I got it.
We're not gonna catch him.
Oh,
Oh,
I mean, if he
might.
keeps crashing like that, you might.
I was gonna say we might.
He's a terrible driver.
You got purple tire smoke too.
Yeah. This guy's pretty fast, though.
To be headed eastbound on Spanish.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Jeez Louise.
Major 10-8, Major 10-8.
Well, it looks like you're done for.
know what happened there. Y'all definitely ran into me though.
You ran into me.
You might
I
want to
looked
place
into
him in
my eyes,
handcuffs.
You swerved
Yeah.
into me. I'm so sorry.
She's walking away. You might want to go get her.
Yeah, we got her.
Wow. Just wow.
Ow.
Now are you Oscar the Grouch?
No, I'm never grouchy.
Oh, you just had.
Yeah. I just flew out of my car.
Really see that.
You
in
did
my
fly
eye.
out of your car. I saw
No,
it. You went.
I
Like
wish I
10
had eyes
feet in the
on
air.
for that because when I looked back, it looked like Phil and Dunn kissed in midair.
They did,
You
and
did.
I actually do have eyes. So.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, you guys smacked each other right in the air. It's cute.
I felt his hot breath on my nose.
It was.
You guys did like a front flip. Both of you did like a
I
front
think I'm
flip in the
finna
air.
die.
I'm already
All
dead.
right, well, let's get you.
He ran right
Let's
into
get some
me.
medics here. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me anyway?
He was, dude. He was hauling. He was riding about 6 quarters.
How much money is it from the ATM here?
All of it besides I think 1,000.
What have you got on you lot?
Someone's selling back where we just were at. Okay.
Oh my!
He just took all my money.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Oh. Well, how much?
All of it.
How
He
much
took it
was
all.
it?
He took it all.
How much was it?
I don't know.
Dunno.
37. It was all from ATM, so
$37.
37,000.
Ah.
Yep, there we go.
37,000.
There's just go on ahead and do it.
All right, you guys can call ATM. Here's their stuff. This is off of her.
I need you to call one for me.
No, I'm unable to give it back to you.
I'm slowly going down.
There's the evidence for her.
Alright.
What evidence?
The gun and the 40,000 that I took.
Nuh-uh, you're lying.
Do you have anything on him?
Yeah, this is the money that was on him.
You planted that.
I would do no such thing, ma'am.
You're lying.
No, ma'am.
I'm or no.
My licensed attorney, I would never.
You have a gun
Ran
on him or
around
no?
with cops. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Watch out!
Ow, that was my leg.
Jim, I'm sorry.
That's $40,000 in medical bills.
Phil didn't have a gun on him? That's weird.
Oh,
It's
we
in the
took it last
vehicle.
time.
What is it? I didn't check that. I was about to check.
Oh, he's got a lot of food in here. Like some
Trunks.
spoiled bread.
Trunk's clear. Alright.
Come on, we got drug sales to go
Oh, shall we?
to. Am I hitting you?
I mean, technically
Definitely
not.
not there in my eyes.
Yeah.
Hey, bye.
It's here.
But it's that man that you talked to earlier.
Probably.
I bought some binoculars.
Did you?
I did. So I can really see him committing crimes.
You talking to someone down here? Did someone sell him?
No, there wasn't nobody here. I had my thing.
Nana's favorite
I was
chip.
lagging out, but no, I didn't see nobody down here.
All right. Hey, if you roll up to drug sales, make sure you're not blasting your sirens and don't have lights on. That way you can creep up on people.
You know, I've never seen this vehicle ever.
Be two
Which one?
times en route
This
to YPD.
Is this a new vehicle?
You ever seen this cop car?
No.
Oh yeah, it was new.
Is this a personal vehicle?
No.
Huh. Well, you know.
I mean, eventually you can buy it, but I would like to buy it. I like it.
It's a pretty nice vehicle.
Yeah. I don't see anyone around here.
We're gonna have to put a blowout on one Gemma DeGurth. Apparently, she somehow got out of my car.
Well, how'd you let that happen?
Found her. I'm not entirely sure. In my car.
Terrible police work.
Here, I'll transport.
That's wild.
Right, because you had her in the trunk.
Well, y'all ditched him.
For a good minute.
You put a suspect in your trunk.
See, I said that. I should. That's not cool.
He put you in the boot of his car.
It was hot back there. I fell out.
I was going for a drug bust. I figured it out.
He put you in the boot of his car.
And my leg got ran over.
Oh my god. You know, and you just got promoted. That's terrible.
Yeah.
That's your new corporal.
Yeah.
Help!
Front, away.
Are you driving this poopty around?
Okay. Watch your mouth.
God, who put my name up there?
Hey, Jim, I wonder who wrote that.
I did not.
Baloney.
It's not me. I don't write in pink.
Of course not.
Here, let me close that door. I'm bleeding.
Thank you for your service to your city.
Back up a little bit, please.
Make sure you
You
ain't
have a lot of
running.
stuff in your pockets, bub.
I got that much.
I'm running cuffs.
You have a lot. It's a lot of stuff.
Don't look at my notes. Those are from my wife.
I don't
They'll
want to
make-
read those. I
they'll-
have no
they-
interest in reading them.
They will make you blush.
I'm good. I don't need to know.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the conclusion
Howdy.
of our That's going to be the
All right, buddy.
conclusion of our
It's
stream.
been fun.
It has been fun. What was I saying? Yeah, that's going to be the conclusion of our stream. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope that was a fun little court case and a fun little ride along with BCSO Share. If you haven't already, go ahead and drop a follow on our Twitch page. That way you guys can get notified of whenever we produce some awesome content and start some awesome streams. Also, if you haven't already, the Discord has been pinned in the chat for you guys to go ahead and join so that you guys can be notified of any content that we decide to post or any event that we're going to be having on the channel. Okay? All right, you guys have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Later.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. No, no, no. Keep the faith, you'll have it all. Slow, slow, slow. Listen to the rivers and the streams that you're used to. Anything you believe you can reach if you choose to. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that